Here we go. हाँ जी एंड वेलकम बैक. मेरे साथ एज यूजुअल बेराम काजी बैठा हुआ है और हम आपकी स्क्रीनों पे वापस आ चुके हैं टू रिव्यू द सेकंड एंड 30-20 आई बिटवीन पाकिस्तान एंड वेस्ट इंडीज. कैसे हो बेराम?
मैं इस वक्त मुझे लगता है इधर ही सो जाऊंगा. अगर तुझे पॉडकास्ट के बीच में कोई खराटों की आवाज आ गई ना सादी तो
ब्रो अगर खरोटों की आवाज आ गई तो वो मेरे होगी ब्रो. हालत बड़ी टाइट हुई है.
इसकी साइनसेस का मसला हुआ है. मैं मेरे ख्याल से पिछले हफ्ते में सोया ही नहीं हूँ. मैंने तीनों मैच देख लिया. हम लोगों ने इरादा ये बनाया था कि हम लोग नहीं देखेंगे ये.
मैं अपने इरादे पे पूरा उतरा.
हाँ तुम पूरे उतरे. मैंने तीनों के तीन देख लिए. बट चलो यार, congratulations to all Pakistan supporters. They have managed to win the series by a margin of 2-1. And second T20 है बड़ा जबरदस्त था.
जबरदस्त last ball thriller.
Yeah, last ball thriller, an unlikely last ball thriller in which West Indies ultimately won by 2 wickets courtesy of Jason Holder's heroics.
अच्छा just by the way, तुमने भी 2-1 prediction दी थी इस सीरीज की. मैंने भी और माहिर ने भी.
लो भाई सब ठीक हो गए. So खैर after that unlikely thriller जिसमें West Indies won by 2 wickets, Pakistan managed to not so comfortably seal a 13-run win. It got quite tricky.
It was tricky. It was tricky.
I feel like end में जब वो कॉम्बो लगा ना हारिस रऊफ और सूफी मैक का, वहां जीती है पाकिस्तान. वरना हालात काफी टाइट हो गए.
काफी टाइट हो गए थे. शेफिन रदरफोर्ड क्या कमाल खेल रहा था.
नहीं, and plus they needed 12 an over in the last 4 overs. That's very gettable because they also did have some wickets in hand, right? So I mean, it was a thrilling encounter. सारे ही बल्कि यार, if I think about it,
close games.
हाँ, all 3 games were quite good to watch. बल्कि इतने लोग हम जानते हैं जो गए हुए हैं.
साकिब भाई from रेलू कट्टे, go and follow them.
Go follow रेलू.
Backward point वाले boys वहाँ पे थे. वहाँ पे जाके उन्हें भी follow करो. और हमारा जानी.
हाँ, शाहिम भी था. हमारा जानी भी था. बाकी नजर एंड बशार वर देयर. उन लोगों ने तो कोई प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में सवाल भी पूछा है. एंड मैश वाज देयर. मैश वाज St. Patrick Hewitt from the Caribbean Cricket Podcast. A lot of people that we knew were kind of there. And the crowd was much better over the weekend, sir.
Yeah, obviously.
हाँ, काफी बेहतर crowd था. It was a fun crowd to begin with as well. पहले मैच में जहाँ पे इतना ज्यादा क्राउड नहीं था, मजे का तो था. अब तो थोड़ा भरा नहीं कहूंगा मैं, मगर it was quite healthy.
Second T20 में especially was quite healthy.
Even in this game जो अभी हुई है, अच्छा क्राउड था, good numbers, decent numbers. And then second वाले में तो Knackers was there.
Yes.
He was in the house with Babar, Rizwan and Naseem.
Yes. Meetings हो रही थी.
बिल्कुल मीटिंग्स चल रही थी और बड़ी कोई गहरी बातें चल रही थी ब्रो.
I'm pretty sure क्रिकेट की नहीं चल रही होंगी, वैसे कोई और बातें चल रही होंगी.
Anyway,
वहाँ पे वो वाला खाना अच्छा है, यहाँ पे ये वाला रेस्टोरेंट ट्राई करना. यही बातें हो रही होंगी.
जो कोई वैसे गया हुआ ये मैचेस देखने फ्लोरिडा में, फोर्ट लॉडरडेल, यार मायामी ज्यादा दूर नहीं है. You need to go to Coyo Taco. Coyo Taco is great.
Damn.
So yeah, quite happy with that whole situation कि चलो यार it looked festive. और साकिब भाई की ट्वीट देखी थी वो गानों वाले. या वो भी हुआ है.
वो भी हो गया.
यार नैकर्स ने फिर ले ही लिया एक्शन.
आई एम श्योर नहीं लिया होगा उसने.
वैसे तो मैंने भी डीजे की कंप्लेन की थी पहले T20 आई के बाद. बट चलो उसके बाद वो भी नहीं हुआ. I honestly सादी don't know how I'm functioning right now.
कोई नहीं ब्रो, let's just get through it.
तुझे मैंने यही कहा था. सादी ने मुझे बोला ना क्या थोड़ा डिले कर देते. मैंने कहा नहीं डिले मत करो, आगे टेस्ट मैच भी देखना है और मेरी पॉडकास्ट के लिए रिजर्व टैंकी होती है.
हाँ, जो कि 40 मिनट रहेंगे पॉडकास्ट मैच शुरू होने में.
या चलो खैर वहां पे पहुंचते हैं. So yeah, all 3 games made for good viewing and it was entertaining. मजा आया देखने का. एंड सादी पाकिस्तान won the toss in both the second and third T20 Is, and Salman Ali Agha, cousin Sal opted to bat both times. I like that. This is new. ये पहले नहीं होता था ज्यादा. Most Pakistan T20I captains of yesteryear would always opt to field first. So this is a welcome change because we all know Pakistan do have a bit of an issue when it comes to setting totals. And they have struggled when it comes to setting totals. They always leave 15 to 20 runs on the field or 10 to 20 runs on the field. So at least there is an active push कि यार if we are lacking in one particular innings, let's give ourselves that best opportunity to improve. तो ये मुझे चीज पसंद आई है कजन सैल.
अच्छा, सेकंड T20 में थोड़ी सी हसन अली वापस आया था. एक चेंज की और फिर
हारिस रऊफ went out.
और फिर थर्ड T20 में शाहीन went out and हारिस रऊफ came in.
And Fakhr is now injured.
Fakhr is injured.
Yeah. Fakhr has a hamstring strain, and if you think about it, Fakhr Zaman's career has been marred with injuries in the last 3 odd years, right? So that's quite sad. तकलीफ होती है सोच के क्योंकि I don't know how much gas he's got left. Right?
यार
in the tank?
हमने पहले भी बोला था और अभी भी मैं बोलता हूँ यार, just focus on one format and that's the ODIs.
Honestly,
I think that's about time.
I'd much rather have Fakhr fit and firing for the ODI World Cup. T20 World Cup में चलो नहीं भी होता तो even though it is a loss, ऐसी बात नहीं है.
It is a loss, लेकिन
definitely a loss.
Prioritize करना है ना कि उसकी health भी देखे अपनी और पाकिस्तान टीम का भी देखना चाहिए कि मिड टूर्नामेंट जैसा चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी में हुआ था, मिड टूर्नामेंट क्या
शुरू में ही
फर्स्ट 3 बॉल्स में ऑफ द
Exactly.
टूर्नामेंट ही वेंट आउट ऑफ द टूर्नामेंट, और वो फिर इम्पैक्ट कर जाता है. ही नीड्स टू प्रायोरिटाइज.
At least साहिबजादा फरहान is ready in case he's not fit. और अब तो खैर
शुक्र.
तीनों खेल रहे थे, जो कि I liked that bit by Mike Hessen in this series. मैंने नहीं सोचा था ये. Saad and I were of the opinion कि
तीनों को दो games.
हाँ, तीनों openers को 2 games each तो, but I think this worked. You know, in 2 of those games all 3 played, और आखिरी वाली में T20 में तो force change था. Khushadil came in for Fakhr because Fakhr his tour is over. He won't be featuring in the ODIs either. And I really hope, कि he can somehow manage his injuries because Pakistan still do need him, especially in ODI cricket. तो देखते हैं कैसा होता है. It's just like been 2 stop start. पिछले 2-3 साल उठा लो तो बस ज़्यादा इंजरी रहा है. I don't think he's been fit for the vast majority of it. He's mostly been injured. So West Indies, Sadi.
और उन्होंने भी चेंज किया.
They made a couple of changes in the second T20I. Johnson Charles was out, thankfully. उसको तो निकालना ही था. And Alec Athanaze came in. Welcome change, who did really well in the third T20I. उस पे आएंगे बाद में. And then of course KC Carty came in for Jediah Blades.
Which was a better change.
Yes, I mean they added a batter. और वो पहले भी हम कह रहे थे कि मोती को ओवर नहीं देने, तो वो टीम में क्यों है, तो अब चलो मोती ने थोड़ी बॉलिंग भी करा ली. 6 ओवर करा ली उसने आखिरी 2 मैच.
Jediah Blades के साथ पता नहीं क्या ही करना था. नाम उसका बहुत कमाल है, and that's about it.
Objectively fantastic name. Jediah Blades. I don't think there's any argument over there.
But that's about it.
If you disagree with this notion, तो फिर आपको नहीं पता चीजें. ठीक है, क्योंकि ये है ऑब्जेक्टिव ही है भाई.
Jediah Blades क्या नाम है, बस
Jediah Blades.
ब्रो आगे कुछ नहीं था.
इसको चाहिए रेजर बेचे अपने. Get yourself a pair of Jediah Blades.
I'd buy them.
Yeah, I totally buy them. यार हालांकि हम शेव
नहीं
और जगहों के लिए चाहिए होते हैं.
Underarms.
Yes, underarms.
Yeah.
Of course. Chest, सादी chest भी शेव करता है.
Chest, yes. अच्छा,
जी, तो
शेव नहीं करता यार, मैं ट्रिमर करता हूँ. क्या होगा?
पाकिस्तान की पूरी स्क्वाड में there were only 2 players who didn't get a game.
Hussain Talat, yes, and
Abrar
Abrar Ahmed was surprised. I was surprised.
अबरार को मिलनी चाहिए थी गेम, especially that second game.
मैं तो कहता हूँ यार, क्यों फिर से 2 सीरीज हो गई हैं दोनों को. आप दोनों कंडीशंस ऐसी थी कि अबरार और सूफी मैक दोनों एक साथ खेल सकते थे.
Even in the last game, I know that batting got really easy in that last game, but still, I feel like you could have played both of those frontline spinners in the same game, especially in the second T20I. I feel that was really the game.
खैर वो
to
तो
play
खैर
both of them.
हाइंडसाइट की बात है ना कि हाँ वो, लेकिन एक गेम तो मिलनी चाहिए थी. आई फील स्पिनर्स वर मोर इफेक्टिव थ्रू आउट द सीरीज.
Absolutely. Barring Jason Holder in the second T20I, I feel like this was a,
spin friendly भी नहीं कह सकते. Helpful for the spinners.
Yeah, because the surfaces were slow, the spinners had a bit of purchase.
Yeah.
But इस तरह नहीं था कि the ball was turning square or anything. It was just like hard to hit the ball off the square. That's what you can say. And it's interesting how in the first game, conditions were slow. Pakistan did well to get 178.
Yeah, first game. Yeah.
In the second game, it was the slowest pitch of the series. ठीक है, इससे ज़्यादा slow deck कोई देखा नहीं हमने 3 matches में, and the outfield was sluggish throughout. Every game, the outfield was sluggish.
ठीक हो गया. Third
match interesting है यार. I read a tweet by the Caribbean Cricket Podcast, and I might have missed this on the TV, but they were like, yeah, beyond the boundary, there are these covers which are soaked. They're that wet, they're drenched.
Good job by the groundsman.
Yeah. तो if the ball, जो गई है उनको लगी है, वो वहाँ पे गीली हुई है, इस वजह से बैटिंग ज्यादा आसान हुई है. ये अब मैं इतना साइंटिस्ट आदमी हूं नहीं कि मैं आपको बता सकूं, बट यस, गीली बॉल हेल्प करती है बैटर को. बट जनरली आई थिंक देयर शुड बी नो क्वेश्चन अबाउट द फैक्ट दैट द डेक इन द लास्ट गेम was the most batting friendly.
It was the best.
Batting was easiest in that third T20I because as you said, batting friendly सबसे ज़्यादा वही वाला डेक था. ठीक है, and outfield was still soggy, but still क्योंकि batting वैसे ज़्यादा आसान हो गई थी, तो हमें runs भी देखने को फिर उस हिसाब से
रंजियां आ गई ना.
रंजियां
अच्छे मैचेस हुए यार.
I like the diversity in the surfaces as well, because even though कॉमन थीम्स तो हैं, बट नाइदर ऑफ दोस 3 सर्फेसेस वर द सेम. आप कह लो सबसे स्लो बीच वाले मैच की थी सेकंड की, सबसे बेस्ट बैटिंग के लिए थर्ड थी, एंड समवेयर इन बिटवीन वाज द फर्स्ट वन.
लेकिन थर्ड वाली भी मतलब सबसे बेस्ट थी इन तीनों पिचेस में. वाजंट के मतलब फ्लैट डेक को
200 वाला ट्रैक नहीं था. तीसरे वाले में भी 200 वाला ट्रैक नहीं था, राइट? पाकिस्तान डिड रियली वेल टू गेट टू 190. आई डोंट थिंक दे लेफ्ट एनी रन्स आउट ऑन द फील्ड.
ऐसा ही,
सो वो आप कह सकते हो कि Pakistan applied themselves well, when the batting conditions got easier, and when the surface was at its slowest, Pakistan did crumble.
They did crumble.
और this is a bit of a theme.
ये हमने बांग्लादेश में भी देखा
Yes.
है, और अडेप्टेबिलिटी की जो हम दोनों बात करते हैं ना, वो देखने को नहीं मिलती, स्पेशली इन द टॉप ऑर्डर. 30-20 में आई वाज प्लेजेंटली सरप्राइज्ड कि वो सेकंड T20 वाली जो मिस्टेक्स थी
Yes.
वो उन्होंने एरेडिकेट की.
That's true.
हाँ, तो वो मुझे अच्छा लगा, लेकिन सेकंड T20 इन इटसेल्फ अगर बात कीजिए ना, आई थिंक पाकिस्तान रश्ड अ बिट.
Yes, they had to be a bit more pragmatic.
हाँ,
you know?
थोड़ा सा, हाँ,
हल्का सा
हल्का सा,
pragmatic.
ज्यादा नहीं कह
मतलब,
रहे.
Truth be told, another 3 runs would have won you the game, right? So उस तरह देखो तो 134 wasn't like below par. I feel like par कर ही गए थे लगभग.
I don't know, bro. 130 is par. ऐसे कह लो, a tad bit below
It
par.
seemed like a bit of a par score, but yeah, you could say tad bit below par.
I think 140, 142 would have been par.
Yeah.
हाँ.
Fair, it was quite slow out there. Very, very, tired conditions, you could say. And I feel like...
जिस तरह इस वक्त बेराम है, tired
मैं भी इस
conditions.
वक्त tired conditions ही चल रही हैं. But yeah, I mean, look, yes, they should have done better. 134 का target थोड़ा सा कम ही था. But then again, अडेप्टेबिलिटी वाला पॉइंट जो सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट है, बिकॉज देखो आपको पहले 2 ओवरों में पता चल ही जाता है.
हाँ.
ठीक है, और आप अभी बांग्लादेश से खेल कर आ रहे हो तो आपको ज्यादा जल्दी कैच कर लेनी चाहिए.
यही मेरा पॉइंट है कि आपको अगर सिमिलर या तो हो ना कि वन ऑफ हो,
Yes.
तो ठीक है.
Yep.
लेकिन जब थोड़ी सी थीम चलने लग जाए ना कि थोड़ी सी ज्यादा स्लगिश पिच हुई, तो पाकिस्तान थोड़ा सा कर रहे क्रम्बल.
Yes, कर रहे, और पता है there is time to fix this. In fact, if anything, Pakistan are fortunate that they've gotten so many games on these sort of surfaces. And it's important also because yes, not every surface in Sri Lanka will be like that. But some might be.
Some might be.
हो भी सकती हैं, वो भी ऐसी कंडीशन.
तो इसलिए अडेप्टेबिलिटी की बात करते हैं ना हम, क्योंकि कंडीशंस क्रिकेट में सबसे ज्यादा बड़ा फैक्टर आ जाता है, और वो हर ग्राउंड में, हर एक्चुअली एक ही ग्राउंड में भी आपको डिफरेंट कंडीशंस मिल जाती हैं, जिस तरह इधर देखने को मिली है आपको. सो यू नीड टू बी अडेप्टेबल, यू नीड टू हैव दैट विद इन योर टीम. पूरे स्क्वाड में इस तरह के प्लेयर्स और ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल होनी चाहिए कि किस तरह की कंडीशंस में हम किस प्लेयर को कहाँ पे यूटिलाइज कर सकते हैं.
बिल्कुल, like for instance in the second game you could have played Hussain Talal.
Yeah, you could.
For instance, right? But वो again pitch read करना भी तो एक आर्ट है ना. अब हम क्या पता कितनी कोई टायर्ड है.
हाइंडसाइट में ये बात करें, लेकिन मैंने बोला भी था, अब मुझे याद नहीं है तुमसे ही बात हुई थी या किससे बात हुई थी, मैंने बोला था या पॉडकास्ट पे ही बात हुई थी.
हाँ, पॉडकास्ट पे हुई थी.
आई थिंक मैंने बोला था ये फॉर श्योर कि हुसैन तलल को खेलना चाहिए.
एक मैच तो मिल ही जाना चाहिए, क्योंकि यार अब आप लेकर गए हुए हो, you want to try everyone out.
क्योंकि मुझे समझ नहीं आ रही थी ना कि आपने सारे ऑलराउंडर्स भरे में, ना आपकी बॉलिंग उस तरह पूरी है, ना आपकी बैटिंग उस तरह पूरी है, और वो ऑलराउंडर्स भी ये नहीं है कि दे वर्ल्ड बीटर्स. तो उस हिसाब से बैलेंस को देखते हुए आई थिंक दे कुड हैव एडेड अ फ्रंट लाइन बॉलर और कुड हैव एडेड अ फ्रंट लाइन बैटर.
बट सादी इतना तो आप आइडिया हो ही गया हमको. Like Mike Hesson
prefers long
batting lineups. He prefers someone who can really slog it at number 9. For instance, ठीक है, उसको चाहिए बंदा 9 पे. मैं थोड़ा सा यार इसी हूँ इस पे still, because then you get 12 overs of frontline bowling and 8 overs you're gambling with. I am fine gambling with 4 overs. 8 is a bit too much for me.
It is. या तो हो ना आपके पास हार्दिक पांड्या क्वालिटी, ऑलराउंडर,
then you're sorted, right? But this is a bit of a criticism that I have from Mike Hesson कि यार you cannot just always go for this. Sure, there will be decks. For instance, मैं कहता हूँ यार अगर बहुत ही कोई वो हो बैटिंग फ्रेंडली डेक, तो मैं कहूँ कि यार
मैं तो कहता हूँ फिर ज्यादा बॉलर रखो.
ये भी बात तुम्हारी ठीक है. या
फिर
वो आउट ही नहीं होंगे,
इतनी डीप की जरूरत नहीं.
इतनी डीप की जरूरत नहीं. Actually, you're right. I'm wrong. There will be situations in which deeper batting lineups will make a bit more sense.
I think इस 30-20 वाली जो पिच है ना, that's a good model we can first or 30-20 जहाँ पे आपको थोड़ी सी deeper batting lineup चाहिए होती है. खैर argument से एक तो second T20 में भी आप कह सकते हो.
The thing is that the extra runs that you want from that number 9 batter, those runs can be culled by a 4th frontline bowler. That is the trade-off. And I feel like, yes, because, T20 cricket is not like test cricket. आपको 20 विकेटें लेकर नहीं जीतना. You can outbat opposition teams, and that's mostly how teams win as well. But then again, don't you run the risk of, having that target chased down.
वो 8 overs में 100 concede कर लें.
Exactly. Or conceding a lot of runs when you gamble with 8 overs. So this is a bit of a trade-off that Pakistan,
it is a trade-off.
Yeah, Pakistan need to think about. More importantly, cousin Sal and Mike Hesson. And don't get me wrong, I am more so happy with Hesson.
ना।
ज्यादा चीजों से मैं खुश हूँ,
खुश
मुझे
हूँ।
बैलेंस तो नजर आ रहा है टीम के
Yeah,
अंदर,
yeah.
मगर ये एक चीज है जो अब हम काफी देर से कहते आ रहे हैं, एंड इट सीम्स लाइक ही इज रियली हेल बेंट सादी that he
so
wants to play a proper bat or serviceable bat at number 9.
Pick Abbas Afridi then.
Yeah, then pick Abbas Afridi. He could be your number 9,
No.
right?
Pick
These
Abbas
are
Afridi.
these are very very valid options, but Abbas Afridi को डाल करना फिर वो हारिस रऊफ को निकालना पड़ जाता
हाँ, इस रफ को भी नहीं।
ये मसला हो जाता है।
ये मसले तो हैं, मसले तो हैं।
मसले काफी हैं, और ऊपर से you've got those two guys breathing down everyone's neck now as well. सलमान मिर्जा एंड मैट डैनी,
हाँ,
उनको क्यों discredit करें?
सलमान मिर्जा स्पेशली।
Especially सलमान।
देखो मैं किस तरह चेंज किया अपना
देखो
पूरा
जरा उसकी
पूरा
रंगत बदल गई।
रंगत तो नहीं बदली, लेकिन सब कुछ चेंज कर लिया अपना। डिजर्व करता है, जो परफॉर्म करेगा वो खेलना चाहिए।
और मैट डैनी भी आपको अच्छी ऑप्शन देता है यार इन द
अच्छी
मिडिल ओवर्स एंड एट द डेथ। सो द गुड थिंग इज कि पूल जो बढ़ाना चाह रहे थे बड़ा है। ठीक है?
That's a great thing.
And another good thing is, as you mentioned earlier, they're not making the same mistakes. That's also good. Even in the second T20I, they didn't make the same mistakes as Bangladesh. Yes, they buckled, but they recovered.
Yeah.
बांग्लादेश में तो यार वो राणा फहूम मैजिक नॉक खेल गए थे, वो उस तरह की रिकवरी नहीं थी। ये एक जरा प्रॉपर किस्म की रिकवरी।
आगा एंड हसन नवाज,
Yes.
फिर मिडिल ऑर्डर में पूरा।
This was more sensible, आप कह लो, and it was not as vibes based. And you have to be a bit pragmatic when the surface is that slow.
Yeah.
And again, they are fortunate that they've gotten these games in these conditions. ये अब और बेहतर होंगे और सीखेंगे। Overall trajectory ऊपर ही है टीम की। I'm quite satisfied.
More
with that.
positives than negatives.
Definitely more positives than negatives.
Pros outweigh the cons, और
Yeah.
हम यहाँ पे खुश हैं।
बिल्कुल, और मतलब यार आप 3 मैचेस खेले हो ना दोनों सीरीज में, 50% रिकॉर्ड फॉर अ टीम इन ट्रांजिशन, यू टेक इट।
I take it, and especially जब मुझे वो stupidities नहीं नजर आ रही होती ना, तो मैं satisfied होता।
और as I said, sure, I've just said the 50% record thing, but then again, सादों में तो हमेशा ये भी कहते हैं कि यार बेशक सारे हार जाओ, सीखो ज्यादा। मुझे लग रहा है कि they've learned some stuff here as well, and they've gotten a few results as well. They've kind of hit the sweet spot.
Hopefully they continue this in the next series, जो कि ट्राई सीरीज आनी है इनकी।
Yes,
उसमें भी काफी चैलेंजिंग होगा। You're playing Afghanistan.
Yes, that's going to be a really tough team to play in the UAE. I feel like Afghanistan are favorites.
हाँ, शारजा में,
Yeah.
ऊपर से शारजा में तो सबसे ज्यादा स्लो सरफेस होती है out of the bay.
खैर वो छोटा ग्राउंड भी है,
ये भी है,
तो उसमें वो वाला एलिमेंट भी आ जाता है कि आप क्लियर कर दो बाउंड्री को।
वो भी कर सकते हैं।
खैर ये लोग फुल टॉस से मिस करते हैं। हाँ, ये तो मसला है पाकिस्तान का यार। I'll be real. Yes, they don't always do it, but in the first T20 they missed a lot of full tosses, and they could have scored 190 in that game as well, because they done well. हारिस का नॉक उसमें से निकाल दो, ठीक है? हारिस ही था ना? नहीं, हारिस नहीं था।
तो सेकंड में।
हारिस को तो बांग्लादेश सीरीज थी, सॉरी मैं बहुत थका।
हारिस तो सेकंड में तो आया ही लास्ट में था।
या I can't remember अब उसमें किसका नॉक बहुत detrimental था।
बहुत।
But anyway, किसका था? सलमान का अच्छा नहीं था। Cousin Sal didn't do too well, 11 of 10 था। But either way, I think they still got to a good score in that game, and like we said, more positives than negatives. So that's good, or augurs well for Pakistan moving forward. Coming to the surfaces again, I want to talk a bit about power play scores, or all scores in general.
Phases, divided by phases.
Phase-wise play में scores की बात करना चाहता हूँ. I want to compare Pakistan and the West Indies because I feel like there's a big trend over here. It's the middle overs trend.
Yeah.
ठीक है. So in the second game, Pakistan scored 24 for 3 in the power play. It was their worst power play of the series. पहले वाले में 46 for no loss था, वो ठीक था. 24 for 3 was bad. और इसमें यार चलो विकेटें गिर भी जाए ना, you get busy, you be a bit more pragmatic, you at least score on a ball.
आप मतलब ना बाउंड्रीज ना मिल रही हो, वो एक अलग बात है। बहुत ज्यादा मुझे इशू हुआ है जरा साइनस का, सो सॉरी ऑन दैट पार्ट। विकेटें कह रहा हूँ, बाउंड्रीज ना लग रही हो तो आपको फिर सिंगल्स और डबल्स की तरफ जाना पड़ता है।
Absolutely. So 24 कम है यार, मतलब 4 की रन रेट पे आपने स्कोर किए रन्स इन द पावर प्ले, but then they picked up their slack, right? In 10 overs, or at the 10 over mark, Pakistan were 57 for 4, which means that from over 7 to 10 they scored 33 runs for the loss of 1 wicket, which was more runs in those 4 overs than they scored in the power play. So वो अच्छा था. Then at the 15 over mark, Pakistan were 110 for 4. That was quite a recovery, Sadi. From overs 10 to 15, they scored 53 runs for no loss. So ये कोई wicket भी नहीं गिरी. And if you look at over 7 to 15, Pakistan then end up scoring 86 runs for the loss of 1 wicket. ये तो काफी अच्छा है.
अच्छा.
It's better than the first game जहाँ पे they scored 80, I think. Now they scored 86 in tougher conditions and they lost 1 wicket. They kind of slump at the death.
बस उसके बाद
they end up with 133 for 9 in 20 overs.
23 for 5 in that phase.
23 for 5 in the last 5 overs. So you could say in a way that period really cost.
Really cost.
क्योंकि यार 50 तो बन ही जाते हैं ना आखिरी 5 में, उनके 23
वो 50 नहीं 40 बन जाते हैं।
या 40 बन जाते, 30 ही बन जाते हैं इन हाइंडसाइट। यहाँ पे तो
Yeah.
margins are so small, like West Indies won on the last ball, right? So yes, Pakistan had a great middle overs phase in this game, 86 for 1, 7 to 15 mein, but then 24 for 3 and 23 for 5.
Yeah.
That cripples you. If you add those up, that's 47 for 8.
Yeah.
ठीक है, at the start and the death. Now if we compare the West Indies,
तो उसमें भी सिर्फ एक फेज जीते हम, बाकी तो दोनों वो फेजेस जीते।
दोनों वो फेजेस जीत के, फिर भी देखो वो एक इतना अच्छा पाकिस्तान फेस खेल गया कि आखिरी बॉल तक मैच सही है। एंड देन द वेस्ट इंडीज, इफ यू लुक एट देम इन द सेम गेम इन द पावर प्ले, दे स्कोर्ड 34 for 2.
10 more runs and 1 less wicket.
It's not like they had it easy, right? But they still managed 10 more runs and 1 less wicket. So they really won the power play compared to Pakistan. सही है। Then they slump hard. ठीक है, in 10 overs they were 52 for 3.
Yeah.
So 7 to 10 में they scored 18 for 1.
Yeah.
4 overs 18 for 1, that was quite bad. यहाँ पे अपना boy सूफी मैक आ गया, बता ना, देख लो।
The best Mac.
Yeah, the best Mac. And then in the at the 15 over mark, West Indies were 79 for 5. So 27 for 2 they scored from 10 to 15.
Yeah.
And if we look at the middle overs overall,
Yeah, that
45 for 3.
was poor.
That's worse than the first game.
Yeah.
इनके first game में भी कोई 52 53 runs थे middle overs में, और पाकिस्तान के 80 थे. This time they slumped even harder, 45 for 3 in 9 overs.
Yeah.
That's bad.
That's
man.
really bad.
But then Jason Holder happens.
Yeah.
And they chase down the target on the final delivery of the game, and they managed 56 runs for the loss of 3 wickets in the last 5 overs, which is क्या मैच बनती है, 33 runs more
Whoa.
than Pakistan, more than double. ठीक है, even though they lose wickets as well, but देखो ना last 5 overs में फिर यहाँ पे आप कह लो कि in the second game West Indies won more or less on the last or death overs batting.
Death overs batting and power play.
Yes,
bro.
true.
क्योंकि middle overs was atrocious.
मिडिल ओवर्स में गैप देखो ना, वेस्ट इंडीज 45, पाकिस्तान 86, एंड येट लास्ट बॉल पे वेस्ट इंडीज जीत गई, राइट? एंड देन इफ यू लुक एट द थर्ड T20, अगेन बेस्ट बैटिंग कंडीशंस, मे बी अ बिट ऑफ अ वेट बॉल सिनेरियो एज वेल, बट जनरली बेस्ट बैटिंग कंडीशंस. पाकिस्तान हैव देयर बेस्ट पावर प्ले ऑफ द सीरीज, 47 for no loss.
No loss, bro.
थोड़ा कम था. अब मैं देखता हूं तो आफ्टर आई वॉच वेस्ट इंडीज बैट, आई वाज लाइक थोड़ा कम था. ठीक है, सो यू कुड इंप्रूव ओवर देयर. Maybe they were just kind of getting a feel for things.
देखो, room for improvement तो हर फेज में और हर डिपार्टमेंट में
ऊपर
बहुत
से
ज्यादा.
आप पहली बैटिंग कर रहे हो, आपको नहीं पता कितनी स्लो है कितनी तेज है,
और
तो
फिर
चलो
आप पिछले मैच से डरे भी हुए हो कि विकेट गिनी हुई थी.
24 for 3 के बाद आ रहे हो, you'd still take 47 for no loss. I don't think ज्यादा nitpick होने की जरूरत है.
On this pitch.
Yes, probably 8 runs too less. Sure, 55 would have been better, but चलो ठीक है यार, 47 for no loss ले लिया power play. Then they go on to 82 for no loss and 10.
Yeah.
Now they've done really well in the next
Really
4 overs.
well, yeah.
Again, Sadi. 35 for 0 from 7 to 10.
10,
उन 4
yeah.
ओवरों में लेडी 9 and over आप चले गए. आपने anti up कर दी. And then at the 15 over mark, Pakistan were 130 for no loss. That was quite incredible, bro. So from 10 to 15, overs 10 to 15, Pakistan scored 48 runs for the loss of 0 wickets. And if you look at the entire middle overs phase, 7 to 15, they scored 83 for no loss. So 80 पहले वाले में, then they scored 86 for 1, and then 83 for no loss.
So
they've regularly scored 80 plus runs.
और ये बहुत ज्यादा इशू रहा है पाकिस्तान
in
को.
the middle overs. That is quite
खैर,
commendable.
इन द प्रीवियस टीम्स इससे कम ही होता था मिडिल ओवर्स, बट आई स्टिल फील पावर प्ले उधर बहुत ज्यादा कॉस्ट करता होता था हमें. और फिर मिडिल ओवर्स में भी आप 83 नहीं स्कोर कर रहे होते थे, आप 70 60 70s कर रहे होते थे.
डेथ ओवर्स में आपके लग जाते थे, वो आज भी बारिंग द ऑड गेम लग जाते हैं, बट मिडिल ओवर्स वाज पाकिस्तान's weakness, and look how well they've done in all 3 games, you know, 80 odd and then 86 and 83
consistently well.
Yeah, consistently around the 9 runs per over mark, right?
That's really good.
Which is really good in these conditions, right? Particularly in these conditions. And then you look at the death overs, so yeah, Pakistan ends up with 189 for 4, which means they slammed 59 runs for the loss of 4 wickets in the last 5 overs. Can you take that? वो फिर खुशदिल और हैप्पी हार्ट और राणा फहूम ने लगा दिया.
ने जो 10 लगाए ना 3 बॉलों पे,
वोल्डेमॉर्ट को 19 पड़े ना जो आखिरी ओवर में,
दिल को ठंडक मिली है, कलेजे को सुकून मिला.
कलेजे को वो ठंडक मिली है ब्रो, रेफ्रिजरेटर में डाला है कलेजा. एंड या सो इस वाली मैच में तो आप कह लो पाकिस्तान द ओनली प्लेस दे फॉल्टेड इन एनी फेज वाज स्लाइटली इन द पावर.
Slightly in the power play.
Otherwise middle overs and death overs were sorted, and the West Indies you know, they weren't quite comparable in the other 2 phases. Power play was better.
Power play was much better.
Yeah, 59 for 1. They
12
looked like
run
they
better.
they looked like they could chase it. यार पहले 2 ओवरों में they were like 31 for no loss, right?
पहले 9 बॉलों में कोई 21 रन मार गया था वो जूल
एंड्रू ने खड़काए हैं. 3 कवर पे चौके मारे हैं उसने. एक कवर ड्राइव, एक चपेट, a slap over covers, and then he used his feet to swat the ball over the covers. What was that? That was just brilliant. Hassan Ali को तो उसने चेप दिया था.
Invest your stocks in Jules Andrew, मैं बता रहा हूँ.
He is definitely one for the future.
Beautiful.
Before the series, I was questioning, okay, what am I missing about Jules Andrew? Now I've seen everything.
नहीं, eye test तो boy pass
हाँ.
with flying colors.
20/20 vision होता है ना, वो है eye test के हिसाब से. बल्कि उसको glasses को इंसान चाहिए. उल्टा सीन है. इतनी अच्छी आंखें हैं. I don't know, man. I'm tired, Sadi. I'm really tired.
Didn't make sense. अच्छा चलो हाँ.
But yeah, 59 for 1 in the power play, so they win that phase, and then they slump hard again.
Hard.
Yeah, at the 10 over mark, they're 90 for 2. So they've, chalo, phir bhi they've done all right over here. 7 to 10 mein, they've scored 31 for 1. Sahi hai? And they need what, 100 runs in the last 10 overs with wickets in hand. Could be done. Still in the game.
Could be done easily.
Ab phir se Sufi Mac aata.
Sufi.
Yeah. And anyway, West Indies, while Sufi Mac does well, they are still in contention at the 15 over mark as well. They have as many runs as Pakistan, 130, but they've lost 3 wickets. And if you look at their 10 to 15 overs, they've scored 40 runs for the loss of 1 wicket. And this is their best middle overs game. 7 to 15 overs mein 71 for 2, but still not in the 80s. ये भी तो देखो ना, still consistently worse than Pakistan.
यहाँ पे अगर पाकिस्तान के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बात करें ना तो इट्स रियली गुड टू सी ये मिडिल ओवर्स में आप चोक कर रहे हो.
Yes.
Thanks largely to Sufi Mac.
Yeah, और पता है, it goes both ways as well. You can make a case for both things. कि Pakistan batted well in their middle overs, 7 to 15 में, and Pakistan bowled well in their middle overs.
Or vice versa. West Indies were poor in both.
Sure, but point is that the series was won in the middle overs for Pakistan, because the West Indies end up with 176 for 6 in 20 overs. So they still managed 46 runs for the loss of 3 wickets in the last 5. That's not, चलो फिर भी थोड़ा सा 10 रन कम है पाकिस्तान से, 10 नहीं 13 रन कम है. But then again, it's the middle overs which kind of crushed them.
देखो पावर प्ले में 12 रन ज्यादा बनाए उन्होंने और डेथ फेज में 13 रन कम बनाए, तो वो 1 रन का डिफरेंस आता है. बाकी डिफरेंस आ रहा है मिडिल ओवर्स में.
बिल्कुल. और ये भी तो देखो ना यार कि whilst we are saying that Sufi Mac and हारिस राव का जो कॉम्बो लगा एंड में, मुझे बड़ा डर था कि सलमान ने ओवर नहीं देना उसे. मैंने कहा शिट, ये 3 पे रोकते हैं.
नहीं सूफी मैक को वो जनरली दे रहा है, एंड पे भी डेथ में भी दे रहा
है. वो एक आधा ओवर उसका डेथ के लिए रखता है. एंड दोस 3 overs, हारिस सूफी हारिस, that's what broke West Indies back. But had they had better middle overs, they wouldn't have required 12 runs per over. Na, ye bhi to dekho. So they would have set themselves up better. And they did have Sherfane Rutherford. So I feel that the middle overs phase was the one that Pakistan really bossed in this entire series, all 3 games. And that's ultimately what brings them the series win. It's that phase in particular, because they do falter at times in the power play. And death with the West Indies ही मार रही है ना. To a certain extent, वो भी चल ही रहे हैं. वो कौन सा नहीं चले खास death में, right? बल्कि पाकिस्तान एक दफा नहीं चला. So that's the major difference between both teams, and you could say that the Sufi Mac was potentially the difference between both teams.
काफी ज्यादा जो डिफरेंस मेकर था ना मेरे लिहाज से, that was Sufi Mac.
मेरा तो player of the series था. Yeah, I mean he managed 3 for 59 in 12 overs in the series. 1 for 20, 1 for 19, 1 for 20.
That's crazy.
That guy, I think he's played 13 innings now in T20Is. He has an economy rate of 6 plus.
नहीं
on 3 occasions.
हाँ वो ठीक है. एक और स्टैट है मेरे पास जो मैंने भेजा था अपने बॉय ओसामा को. वो स्टैट ये था कि while defending totals, Sufi Mac has the best economy rate.
That's brilliant.
Minimum overs 25 in their career.
छोटा sample size है.
Minimum फिर भी 25.
But like, for now he's better than Ajmal.
नहीं जितने ज्यादा खेलोगे उतना इकोनॉमी रेट चेंज होगा ना. मिनिमम अगर आप 25 रखते हो और while chasing defending, he's the best in the world.
That's bloody brilliant.
5.27 economy rate.
That's crazy. Yeah. अभी भी इसकी overall numbers भी काफी insane ही होंगे अगर तुम खोलो तो.
खोल लेते हैं. सूफी मैक के लिए बहुत टाइम है मेरे पास.
Average उसकी 10 की थी, economy rate उसका under 6 था. That's what things looked like before the start of the
अभी भी under 6 ही है.
Yeah, economy rate is probably plummeted further down because it's been consistently under 6, बल्कि under 4 भी करा गया यार एक में तो. नहीं sorry, under 5. 2 में 5 का था, एक में under 5.
अच्छा तो
ओवरऑल
इकोनॉमी T20s में 5.74.
There you have it.
11.95 की एवरेज और 21 विकेट्स इन 13 इनिंग्स.
एवरेज भी ज्यादा नहीं गिरी या चढ़ी. And 21 wickets in 13 innings is fantastic. So yeah, he was my player of the series, and I feel like if you're winning 2 games by 14 and 13 runs and your middle over spinner is going for 19-20, That's kind of the difference right there, isn't it?
It is the
Maybe
difference.
we are too invested in the Sufi Mac arc. Maybe we are.
I do not care one bit.
मुझे कोई फिक्र नहीं है क्योंकि मुझे तो लगता है उस बच्चे की बहुत हाई सीलिंग है, राइट? एंड विल कम बैक टू हिम. अभी जरा बाकी चीजों पे बात कर लें, फिर एंड में ना पाकिस्तान के हर प्लेयर के ऊपर अच्छी तरीके से
बात होगी और प्लेयर रेटिंग्स मिलेंगी,
player
पूरी
ratings,
पूरी
तबसरा,
सीरीज की मिलेगी.
या पूरी सीरीज की मिल जाएंगी, वो कर लेंगे. अच्छा सादी,
Yes,
हाउ
sir.
रिफ्रेशिंग वाज इट? एक्चुअली तूने तो मैच नहीं देखे, तू तो सो रहा था, बट मैं तुझे बताता हूं, इट वाज एक्सट्रीमली रिफ्रेशिंग टू सी 2 T20Is with minimal fielding errors. Usually तुझे पता है मेरे नोट्स ही नहीं मुक रहे होते फील्डिंग एरर्स के. अभी वो इंडिया के टेस्ट मैच कितने बन गए हुए हैं कि मुझे देख के थोड़ी उलझन होती है उनको.
Yeah, thank you England.
Yeah. So West Indies were spotless
Spotless.
in the second T20I. Absolutely spotless. There was one overthrow in the last T20.
Last ball पे.
हाँ, वो जो एक्स्ट्रा रन बन
last ball
गया.
पे.
उसके अलावा तो भाई उनकी कोई गलती नहीं थी. दो
Good
T20.
presence of mind by the way, खुशदिल राणा फहूम.
हाँ, really good.
कभी नहीं लेते पाकिस्तान इस तरह के
मुझे
ओवरथ्रोस.
तो ये समझ नहीं आती यार कि आप पहले से क्यों नहीं भागे हुए होते. Why do you not run that last run
Last-
so someone will get out?
तो
What's the big deal?
सुपर ओवर भी जाना है ना.
हाँ,
हाँ.
क्या सीन है मतलब?
I don't know.
भागो, आखिरी रन आउट होते तो हो जाओ.
हाँ.
नहीं, ये नहीं भागते, कभी भी नहीं भागते.
ये एवरेजेस बचाते हैं
हाँ,
अपनी.
कुछ ऐसा सीन नहीं
हाँ.
करते, और फिर वो जब मिसफील्ड होती है, ओवरथ्रो होती है, तब ये भागते हैं,
हाँ.
राइट?
तब भी नहीं भागते ना, अभी भागे हैं तो मैं उस पे क्रेडिट दे रहा हूँ
Credit
ब्रो.
दे रहे हो. But that was the only mistake that the West Indies made in 2 games. Other than that, they were very good.
नहीं
And
नहीं,
that's a-
कैचिंग बहुत अच्छी की है
बहुत अच्छी
उन्होंने.
कैचिंग
बहुत
किया.
अच्छी
रनिंग
catching,
बैक वाले
हाँ.
कैचेस पकड़े हैं यार. जेसन होल्डर ने खास तौर पे पकड़े हैं.
रदरफोर्ड का भी बड़ा अच्छा था, आउट ऑफ पोजीशन हुआ हुआ था.
Rutherford
Really
का बड़ा
good
अच्छा था. वैसे
catch.
तो हसन अली ने भी बड़ा अच्छा कैच
हाँ, हसन अली ने, yeah.
But then again, you know why it's important to talk about this is because the West Indies were dog shit in the field in the first game. Absolutely dog shit. They were dropping catches. There were plenty of misfields in
yeah.
there. Their fielding cost them the first game. You could make that claim, ठीक है? Because 14 run का
Yeah.
deficit था सिर्फ ultimately. So the way they improved in the last 2 games, and they were even bad in the Australia series. So these 2 games will give them a lot of hope. And on the other hand, Pakistan also didn't really make many mistakes.
पन मार दिया तुमने. Will give them a lot of hope.
Oh yeah, they give them a lot of shea. Not Shea Gill. though. वो
वो तुम्हें
पाकिस्तान
बहुत-
की है.
हाँ, हाँ.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anyway, Pakistan ने भी कोई खास गलती नहीं की ना. It's not like Pakistan made a lot of mistakes or anything in these 2 games. It was just that one dropped catch by the Nosler.
नॉजलेट हो गया
Yeah,
ना
वो
फिर.
Noslet हो गया वहाँ पे, I think.
Hassan
And
Nawaz, by the way,
It
yeah.
didn't matter either because Hassan Nawaz drops Jules Landry on 22. Next ball, Haris Rauf has him out in the deep. Not in the deep, but like वही Hassan Ali does a
हाँ.
really good job running back and positioning himself. So that was good stuff. Overall fielding पे मैं बहुत खुश था दोनों टीमों से. I think that in this day and age where cricket is so high risk and people play so many aerial shots, you don't get to see a lot of games where there are no mistakes. And you got to see 2 in a row. Like 2 mistakes, yaar. 1 overthrow and 1 drop catch.
Wah.
That is quite incredible. I
Maza
feel
hai.
like that deserves some, plaudits. अच्छा जी, कुछ की डिटेल्स है सादी.
अच्छा जी.
जो मैं शेयर करना चाहूंगा because आगे तो हम प्लेयर्स पे चले जाएंगे ना. So there were some things that I really enjoyed. In the second T20I, Pakistan are defending 134.
Yes.
Do you know how many runs and wickets Pakistan spinners conceded and took in their 12 overs? in
It
that
was
game?
all only spinners जिन्होंने perform
Only
किया था.
spinners. The 3 spinners, Saim Ayub, Sufi Mac, and Mohammad Nawaz.
Sayam.
Sayam Ayub, Sufi Mac, and Mohammad Nawaz, they combined for 6 wickets for 53 runs in 12 overs.
Crazy.
That was incredible. That was the reason why Pakistan were in with a shot to
Yeah.
win that game, right? In fact, I feel like Cousin Sal, he missed a trick.
Not bowling himself.
He should have given
हाँ.
himself at least 1 over, man. देना
should have,
चाहिए था.
हाँ.
या तो फिर आप अबरार को मैच खिला लेते. I feel
Okay,
like
वो
that.
तो हाइंडसाइड में बात
वो
करने वाली है,
hindsight
लेकिन
में
हम फिर भी कह रहे हैं एक मैच में तो दोनों को खिलाना बनता था. सूफी मैक एंड अबरार together.
चलो मान लिया हाइंडसाइट आपको नहीं पता था पिच इतनी स्लो निकलेगी, बट वंस यू हैड स्टार्टेड प्लेइंग ऑन इट एंड वंस यू हैड बैटेड ऑन इट, यू शुड हैव बोल्ड एटलीस्ट 1 ओवर कजन सैल. यू आर नॉट बोलिंग अ लॉट एंड आपका मैचअप लगा होता है, लेफ्टी होते हैं,
हाँ,
आ जाओ.
आया
You
करो.
know,
हाँ.
had he bowled 1 over in that game, मैं तुझे बता रहा हूँ पाकिस्तान ने वो मैच जीत जाना.
या तो फिर पहले मैच खत्म हो जाता, ये भी हो सकता था.
मगर पता है स्पिनर्स को मारना
नहीं,
मुश्किल था.
हाँ, नहीं लग रही.
6 for 53 in 12 overs, bro. That was a key feature in that game, right? I feel like he should have bowled 1 over. And whilst I will say this, that cousin Sal, skipper Sal Agha, he made plenty of mistakes in the first T20. In the second one, I think this is the only mistake he makes.
Yeah.
He should have bowled 1 over. And we can all have our opinions about how he uses Haris Rauf, but वो चलो side पे रखते हैं थोड़ा
I
सा.
do have my
So yeah,
opinion on that.
third T20I में he didn't make many mistakes. So from a captaincy perspective, he only improved in the series. But yes, I mean, Salman Agha definitely missed a trick in that second T20I. He should have bowled an over because 6 for 53 over था 12 overs में spinners का. And then in today's game,
Yeah.
right, the third T20I, Pakistan end up with 190 or post a target of 190,
Yeah.
right? The West Indies lose by 13 runs. 36 of 16 was the contribution, the combined contribution of the Nosler, Rana Fahom and Khushal Shah.
Yeah.
36 of 16.
No.
That is a very, very crucial contribution over there by those three guys. Because जब आप इतने fine margin से जीत रहे हो और आखिरी ओवर में 25 चाहिए थे.
Yeah.
वो आखिरी ओवर में 25 की जगह 12 चाहिए होते, मैच बुक गया. हार जाते आप सीरीज.
Yeah.
So those cameos are actually really important and I love this from Pakistan because that's modern day T20 cricket.
That is modern day T20. आपको contributions चाहिए.
Yeah, those are the performances that get, underscored or undermined. And you cannot praise them enough because ultimately when you're winning a game by 13 runs, 36 of 16 is a killer contribution.
Yeah.
I know two other guys scored 50s, but this was a way better strike rate than those guys.
Do you think 36 of 16 जो इन्होंने किया वो तो इम्पोर्टेंट था पाकिस्तान के लिए, लेकिन अगर वेस्ट इंडीज की साइड से देखा जाए तो रॉस्टन चेज 15 of 12 was
Well, the only good part over there is that they retired out. क्या retired him out? क्या कहते हैं इसको? How do you
they
phrase
retired
that?
him out.
Retired him out?
He retired out.
He retired. He was forced to retire out.
ओ इतना लंबा ही कर दिया तुमने.
हाँ 15 of 12 मार दी उसने, मोमेंटम को किल कर दिया वहां पे उसने, सत्यानाश कर दिया. Absolutely stunted the flow of runs.
It's good to see West Indies trying to retire out players.
Honestly, I want to see even more and more of this in T20s. Ashwin ने किया था IPL में, right? I expected it to blow up there on. It didn't. We haven't seen a lot of it. And the fact that Roshan Chase was forced to retire out on 15 of 12, that was a positive in a way. Even though the innings screwed West Indies over, मगर ये
उसके बाद भी obviously कुछ कर ना सके, लेकिन
मगर idea ठीक था. And I want to see more retired outs in T20 cricket. So that was a fun thing to view over there. अच्छा जी, so ये हमने मेन बातें कर ली हैं दोनों गेमों
प्लेयर्स पे आज मुझे लगता है पहले वेस्ट इंडीज को डिस्कस कर लेना ना.
Let's go over the West Indian performers, and what better place to start than Islamabad United blood.
Jason Holder.
Big man Jason Holder, player of the match in the
Yes,
second T20. I even posted a meme, खुद बनाई थी मैंने,
अच्छा.
कि उसपे वो Game of Thrones पे ना मैंने वो टीचर पे सैमी की तस्वीर लगाई थी, डैरन सैमी की, और आर्या स्टार्क पे जेसन होल्डर की लगाई थी कि what do you say to the god of death? Not today. And that's what Jason Holder said, man. उसने कहा नहीं, मैं नहीं हार रहा आज.
बाकी वो सब कुछ जेसन होल्डर कर रहा था यार. It was Jason Holder versus Pakistan.
It was Jason Holder versus Pakistan. That man just literally went, "No, I refuse to lose this. We are in a bit of a rut. Losing streak चल रही थी उनकी. He was like, I have to break this streak today, and I'll do it single-handedly. Deserved player of the match. In fact, no one player of the match harder in this entire series than Jason Holder.
Jason
इतना
Holder.
कमाल था. वो 4 for 19 with the ball, and unbeaten 16 of 10 with the bat, in which he hits the winning runs, and then 2 catches, of which one was a spectacular.
Oh, really good catch.
वो जो running back वाला catch पकड़ा था, कमीना catch पकड़ गया था. And there is this late career bloom, late T20 career bloom that I am witnessing with respect to Jason Holder.
Jason Holder West Indies का highest ever T20 wicket taker बन गया
वो
यार.
बन गया.
Congratulations on that, Jace.
He was more or less the MVP for Islamabad United. He is someone who doesn't play the other formats anymore. He's done really well in Test cricket in the past.
He's been really underrated.
थोड़ा बूढ़ा हो गया. Really, really underrated all-rounder. In ODIs, he's had his moments, right? He's captained the West Indies. Now I see that this guy has just transitioned into T20 cricket only, and he's upped his game.
He's upped his
Yeah,
game.
yeah. He's a far better bowler than he ever used to be, and we all know he can whack it.
He can whack it long.
वो तो हमें पता ही है कि छक्के छक्के तो लंबे मार देता है, ठोक देता है. पर खचियां तो उड़ा सकता है.
पखचियां उड़ाई हैं इसने.
Perchers. And if you look at him with the ball, first he opens the bowling with Akil Hussain. ठीक है? He removes Saim with his 6th delivery.
In the second
over.
T20.
Yeah, second T20 में. In his first over, last ball, he removes Saim Ayub.
तीनों T20s में वैसे साइम अयूब को जेसन होल्डर ने आउट किया.
हाँ.
Yeah.
Good observation, right? And then he also goes on to remove Saibzada Farhan with his 9th delivery, right?
Yeah.
So in his second over. In the power play or in 2 power play overs, Jason Holder was already sitting at 2 for 10.
Oof.
It only got better from there on because he ends up with 2 for 9 and 2 death overs and
4 for 19.
और वो विकेटें भी देखो तो Hassan Nawaz was killing it. He removes Hassan Nawaz, a red hot Hassan Nawaz in the death overs, and then he removes the other Nawaz. So he gets 2 Nawazes, and he ends with 2 for 9 and 2 death overs.
Yeah.
So literally like almost identical performances with the new ball and the old
ball.
मतलब दोनों phases में power play and death, he literally like you know he has identical figures almost.
उसके बाद चलो ये तो बॉलिंग के साथ तुमने बता दिया ना, बैटिंग के साथ भी सेम मैच में आके उसने चेज डाउन की है.
कमाल. That's why it made sense कि वो उसको रिटायर आउट कर होल्डर भेजा.
नहीं
सूफी मैक ने बोल्ड मार दिया ना यार. Again
सूफी मैक की ये वाली जो डिलीवरी है ना, जो तीसरी वाली डिलीवरी है जिसकी कोई बात नहीं करता, द वन विद स्किड्स ऑन, क्या फ्लिपर बोलेंगे इसे, क्या
फ्लिपर ही बोलेंगे उसको, एंड
Skids
he
on.
always targets the leg stump with
So
it. Have you noticed that? He grabs them up.
रोमारियो को भी इसी तरह आउट किया था, होल्डर को भी इसी तरह आउट किया, सेम डिलीवरी.
That is, तुम सही कह रहे हो. No one talks about that delivery.
Yeah, so skids on.
I'm glad you brought it up, right? But yeah, he basically scores the winning runs. Last ball, वो भी wide हो गई शीनो की, बखैर उसने चौका ही मार दिया.
Just by the way, was that a wide? जेसन होल्डर बहुत ज्यादा साइड में आया.
यार पाकिस्तान got lucky with a few of those as well.
अच्छा.
Yeah.
लेकिन जेसन होल्डर की अगर आप रीच देखो तो कहाँ पे वाइड बॉल होगी उसे, ब्रो.
Thing is that I feel like the umpires were really confused. Are we going with those wides? Are we not?
नहीं, वो खैर बहुत ज्यादा साइड में था.
But either way, he scores the boundary of the final.
Didn't matter क्योंकि चौका मार दिया था, 4 ही चाहिए.
वही तो मैं कह रहा हूँ, 4 ही चाहिए तो वो तो फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता. And you know that was heroic stuff. उसके बाद you add the Mo Haris catch to it.
No.
Running back वाला कमाल catch, he picked up another catch as well. It was basically Saadi a 3-dimensional monster class.
With the bat, with the ball, and in the field.
Monster class ही बोलोगे आप. And I'm loving this late career T20 boom that Jason Holder is experiencing. I feel like he's going to bag an IPL contract. मुझे तो यही लग रहा है.
Sorry, Islamabad United.
क्योंकि उसने अब he's put all of his eggs in the T20 basket, and he's doing well in the format. He was, if you look at all things considered, he was probably their best player in the series. You know, Jason Holder ही बनता है. Yeah, has to be him. So good on you, Jace, and we really enjoyed your performance. He I think was the best West Indian performer, but there were others, Saadi. Akil Hussain did well.
He was really good.
Started bowling in the power play, ends up with 1 for 16 in the second T20. Brilliant game for him. And then 1 for 32 in the last one.
पिट गया थोड़ा
सा ज़्यादा पिट गया. 32 नहीं खाने चाहिए अकील हुसैन को. But in that second T20I, he bowled 3 power play overs, and his figures in the power play read 1 for 13 and 3 power play overs, and then he comes back to just concede 3 runs. 1 for 16 is amazing stuff. 4 ka run rate in T20, so he deserves his flowers as well. And I like Akil. You know, and I feel like you use him in the power play, you get the best out of him. वो seam up वाली delivery भी कराता है.
वो drifts in.
हाँ, वो left hander से बाहर निकालता है वो ball, क्योंकि वो spin तो कर नहीं रहा, वो तो seam कर रहा है उस ball को. So I like Akil, and he did well in one of those games. He was brilliant. Voldemort.
यार, I don't want to talk about him. मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई है. 1 for 57 runs मारे उसे.
Exactly. मुझे बड़ी तब थी कि Voldemort, who we will not take his name because he is the guy who shall not be named. You know, and he should probably be in jail, or at least not close to the team. He got 3 for 30 in the first game and 1 for 22 in the second game. And today, when I tuned in this morning, I was like, yeah, lose the game. Just smash the crap out of this guy. And they smashed the absolute crap out of that guy. 1 for 57 in 4 overs. Last over went for 19. Player number 70 कहते हैं ना Caribbean Cricket Podcast वाले इसको. और हमने Voldemort बना दिया इसको. Voldemort भी बेहतर इंसान था. He had his reasons. You know? Did he? I don't remember Harry Potter's story.
I'm not interested, bro.
Either way, I was really happy that he finally went for plenty because he was having a good series and I wasn't enjoying that.
Acha, can we move on from him?
Yes. Roshan Chase पे क्या ख्याल आता है? Do you think?
Yeah, I don't think. Nah, bro. Nahin, yaar.
The only good thing that Roshan Chase did in this entire series was in the second game, he bowled 2 overs, took 1 for 11, and he removed Fakhar Zaman with his first delivery. That was the only positive contribution. हाँ, पहले वाले मैच में ज़्यादा पिटा नहीं था.
I don't think he deserves a spot in the team.
If Roshan Chase is bowling better than he is batting, then that is an issue.
I think वो obviously Rothman Powell और दूसरा कौन है, Hetmeyer नहीं है तो वो आ जाएंगे तो ये चला ही
दो काफी बड़े प्लेयर नहीं है वैसे. Truth be told, that is a big blow to West Indies because we even identified that trio, Rutherford, Hetmeyer and Powell, Rothman Powell as West Indies' main strength. वो दो थे ही नहीं उनमें से लोग. But yeah, Roshan Chase का ये है कि he actually bowled pretty decently this series.
He was alright.
1 for 11 those 2 overs, none for 23 in the first game in 3 overs, and then 1 for 31 today.
लेकिन फिर ब्रो फिर बैटिंग मरवा रही है उसकी,
बहुत ज्यादा
मरवाया
मरवा रही है।
30-20 में मरवाया ब्रो।
डेफिनेटली मरवाया, 15 और 12 में मरवाया। मैं ये कह रहा हूँ ना कि इफ ही इज गिविंग यू बेटर आउटपुट एज अ बॉलर, देन आई डोंट थिंक ही इवन डिजर्व्स टू बी इन द साइड। मैं मोती से ही ओवर निकाल लूं या कोई और मुझे ऑफ स्पिन करा दे,
कोई है
ही नहीं कोई।
हाँ, तो ये भी तो मसला है ना, इसीलिए
है
चेस
थोड़ा
खेल
सा-
रहा है ब्रो।
थोड़ा सा मसला था, लेफ्टीज के लिए आपको एक बंदा चाहिए होता है। बट एनीवे, I don't think he would survive till the T20 World Cup squad.
He shouldn't.
Yeah, I don't think he will. Jule Andrew.
Oof.
We saw some glimpses in that 33 ball 35, and I feel like this 24 ball, 15 ball 24 was better.
It was beautiful.
क्या knock था, वो तीन
खूबसूरत।
चौके, those 3 fours versus Hassan Ali where he cover drives him or drives him through the covers, then slaps him over the covers and then uses his feet to swat him over the covers. 3 different kinds of shots in the cover region.
खूबसूरत है।
Kamina
मैं फिर बोल रहा हूँ, इन्वेस्ट योर स्टॉक्स इन जूल एंड्रू, ये बहुत ऊपर जा रहा है।
This kid is 18. He is way far away from that age of batting maturity, and he doesn't even need that because T20 ke liye clearly he has the
Yeah.
game. He keeps wicket pretty decently well as well, and you know what? You've got one for the future. He's a generational talent, and you just continue to play him.
हाँ।
खिलाते रहो. Give him game time.
Yeah,
He will
yeah.
come good. 100% he will.
पहली सीरीज में 18 साल का लड़का अगर ये कर रहा है ना आपके, विद द कॉन्फिडेंस
बिल्कुल।
जो उसने दिखाया है, खिलाओ इसे।
I'll never forget that pull for 6 versus
Oh,
Haris Rauf.
oh.
That will remain etched in my memory for a long, long time. And I just want to see more and more of Jule Andrew. I want to see him in the PSL. You know,
Yeah.
snap him up. This kid has got a really, really bright future ahead of him. वो अब अलग बात है, if he goes franchise, then I can't really say anything. He could very well go franchise. It's a possibility. ठीक है? अच्छा जी, अब कुछ बैटर्स हैं, couple of batters. एक तो Alec Athanaze.
Good comeback.
I did not know he had the game for T20s, honestly. And
He looked really good.
he looked very, very solid. He ends up scoring 60 of 40 in the third T20I. Slowed down a bit. Last 9 deliveries yielded 10 odd runs because he got to his 50 of 31 balls. So वहाँ पे है कि he did kind of slow down.
yeah.
But then again, I was really impressed with the way he played spin. Sadi, he slept. Slept.
He slept.
I should have slept.
You should have slept.
Yeah, I should have slept. Yeah, my man Alec Athanaze, he swept, he slog swept, he reverse swept, reverse slapped. Right? He had a switch hit in there, all versus spin, and he even used his feet to go big down the ground. So I was very, very sorted or very happy that this guy can actually smash spin. That's pretty cool, right?
Good signs for West Indies.
Very, very good signs.
हाँ, साल बाद आए वापस T20 टीम में, and he's done really well.
जॉनसन चार्ल्स से ऊपर बनती है जगह, इतना तो कह सकते हैं।
वो तो बन ही
वो तो already बन गई. And then, you know, versus pace, he's not as good, but he had a couple of fours, one to fine leg and one to third man. So overall, good numbers for Alec Athanaze. ठीक है, good show. And
फिर
then,
Rutherford, bro, Rutherford.
Peshawar Zalmi and Quetta Gladiators, Sherfane Rutherford. He ends up scoring 51 of 35 in the last T20I. He kind of keeps West Indies hopes alive.
हाँ,
In all,
जब तक वो था तो यही था कि पाकिस्तान हार सकता है यहाँ से.
Yeah. In essence, he was the one who was keeping West Indies in the hunt, and 25 runs in the last over can be scored. That's what he took them to,
Yeah.
right? और उसकी 50 आई वही 32 balls में बाद में आउट ही हो गया वो. But you know, we saw some big shots down the ground and on the leg side, which are synonymous
Yeah.
with Sherfane Rutherford. That's what he's known for. And then कुछ बहुत कमाल शॉटें भी थी. Inside out over the covers. Deft touch सादी सूफी मैक को. ठीक है, काफी फिट सीन था. And then got lucky with the top edge and a tight squeeze. अच्छा था वो. But generally, Sherfane Rutherford was a bit out of form from what I've been reading. And now he is clearly back in form, and he is one of West Indies' most important players going into the T20 World Cup.
और हमारा जानी भी.
हमारा जानी तो है वो भाई.
आप लोग भी हमारे जानी बन सकते हैं, जो कि डिस्कॉर्ड में एक स्पेसिफिक चैनल जहाँ पे आप बहराम मेरे से और माहिन जो कि अभी आई है उससे भी आप लोग बातें कर सकते हैं और काफ़ी ज़्यादा फन स्टफ में पार्ट ले सकते हैं. उसको ज्वाइन करने के 2-3 तरीके हैं. सबसे पहले पेट्रियन, जिसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है, वहाँ से आप सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं. इजी पैसा नंबर है 031936025545. 1500 पर मंथ पे आपको मंथ की सब्सक्रिप्शन मिल जाएगी. बैंक अकाउंट डिटेल्स चाहिए तो इंस्टाग्राम पे या ट्विटर पे प्रो स्पोर्ट्स या मुझे डीएम कर दो और आपको उसकी डिटेल्स मिल जाएगी. वरना पूरा जो डिस्कॉर्ड सर्वर है दैट्स फ्री फॉर ऑल, कोई भी आके ज्वाइन कर सकता है और डिफरेंट कम्युनिटीज में पार्ट ले सकता है.
मगर अगर आपने माहिन, साद और बहराम से बात करनी हो तो फिर आपको जानीज चैट ज्वाइन करनी पड़ेगी. दैट्स वेयर यू कैन टॉक टू अस एक्सक्लूसिवली, सिव. हाँ, and basically if you live under a rock in 2025 and still don't have online banking, Saad, Mahin and I, we've got you sorted still. We live in Islamabad. Our office and studio is located in the E113 Markaz. So come seek us out. और मुंह पे मारो 1500 रुपए मारे. and per 1,500 payment, we will make you a Johnny for 1 month. Or you can gift the Pro Sports podcast or Pro Sports team an authentic sports jersey. It shouldn't be a knockoff. It should be authentic. कोई भी sport हो, कोई भी team हो, domestic, international, doesn't matter. Per authentic sports jersey, we will make you a Johnny for 6 months. And just to cap this off, as you all know, Saad Mahin and I, we are on a mission. And our mission statement is to change the landscape of sports/cricket coverage in Pakistan. बहुत हो गई मसालेदार खबरें और सनसनीखेजियां और ये sensationalism. We are encouraging intelligent sports/cricket discourse. It's an inclusive community. Come become a part of our family. ये अच्छा जी. अच्छा साहब, अब I think let's go one by one
आज
on
वो play ratings पे आ
each
जाते
of
हैं ना,
Pakistan's players. Player ratings का time आ ही गया. It's one of my favorite segments that we do. Let's start
Top
off.
down, Saibzada Farhan.
Zada Farhan failed in the second game. 3 of 7.
No, that was a poor.
Was quite bad. Three of 7 is really poor. And then he was player of the match.
He was really good.
Yeah, 74 of 53 in the last T20I, and he smashed his 50 of 34 deliveries. एक वही वाला मसला है. Whilst he goes full Farhan, Saibzada goes full Farhan in the power play, and a bit after that, he does slow down once again.
Yeah.
His last 19 balls yield just 24 runs, and this is a recurring theme.
Yeah.
ये इसको fix करना पड़ेगा. He did the same thing versus Bangladesh.
Yes.
If you remember.
I do remember.
He slows down after getting to 50, and Saibzada, you just need to go bonkers throughout.
एक suggestion है opposition के लिए, साहिबजादा को spin ना feed
Do
किया गया.
not feed spin to Saibzada Farhan in the power
वो
play.
खा जाएगा, खा जाता है.
You are literally handicapping your own self. You are shooting your own foot. अपने पाँव पे कुल्हाड़ी मारे, वो खा क्या जाता है, वो inhale कर जाता है, वो crush कर
अच्छा
कर
फिर यही
snort ही कर
फजूल
जाता
बात,
है.
पर वो समझ नहीं आती मुझे.
अच्छा, तुझे नहीं समझ आती?
किस चीज को, मीट को क्रश करके
नहीं,
inhale
क्रेडिट कार्ड
करके.
दिखा, मैं उससे दिखाता हूँ.
नहीं नहीं, वो तो मुझे पता है. मुझे बताओ क्रश किसको कर रहे हो तुम?
मैं वो opposition के spinners को. That's a bit dark.
अच्छा हाँ.
Yeah. Anyway, so yeah, as Saad said, you do not bowl spin to Saibzada Farhan in the power play. Yes, he needs to kind of pace his innings better once he crosses 50. But till he's getting to 50, he is going berserk.
Yeah.
And as I said, he went the full Farhan in Florida. You know, 34 ball 50. Ends up with 674 or 53, which was a good score in these conditions. आमतौर में मैं बोलूँगा ये net negative है, मगर इस scenario में नहीं
हाँ
था.
इस scenario में
Not in
ठीक
these
था.
conditions, definitely not. And then, you know, just versus spin, he was enormous, right? 2 slog sweeps for 6. We down on one knee, जो मारता है कुत्ती किस्म की. Used his feet to smash a big 6 over long on.
Yeah.
Again, something that he does really well. And then I've seen that he reverse sweeps a lot.
No,
He reverse swept again.
I loved it.
Yeah, I love this because we don't see a lot from Pakistan players. And Saibzada Farhan has been doing it quite regularly. तो ये सब कुछ तो हो गया स्पिन के खिलाफ. फिर सादी इसने जो पड़खचियां उड़ाई हैं वोल्डेमॉर्ट की.
दिल को सुकून.
Purchers, there were 2 pulls for 6. कुत्ती किस्म की.
Yeah.
एक तो बहुत ही कुत्ती किस्म की पुल थी और दोनों छक्के थे. And then he also clubbed him through the extra cover for 4. And I think towards the end he swatted like a Yorker for 4 as well. But overall, demolished spin in the power play, smashed both pace and spin. Yes, he slowed down, but I think he should get a really good number. हाँ, failure है एक उससे पीछे. और दो
failure.
पहले वाले में 14 of 12 था. यार फिर भी पास करना चाहता हूँ मैं इसे. Let's give him 6 overall.
हाँ मैं भी यही सोच रहा था. Exactly 6 ही सोचा हुआ था मैंने.
Yeah, I think 6 makes sense for him overall because he does get player of the match in the last game, right?
He was really good in the last game.
And he's shown us कि यार he can deliver with pretty unreal consistency. इस तरह की क्रिकेट खेल कर यार इस consistency से runs करना आसान नहीं, and he's having a year.
No, yeah, bro.
Some year, man. He's already scored I think 4 to 5 tons. 5 है Mahin? 5 tons है ना? हाँ, 5 tons मार चुके. Record है 5 tons. If he gets another, he breaks the record. गेल का record है शायद. तो सोच फिर तू, फरहान ने गेल का record तोड़ दिया. Really happy that with Fakhar being so injury prone, Farhan is ready.
फखर पे आ जाते फिर उसके बाद.
Absolutely ready. Yeah, Fakhar बेचारा tough series for him. Yeah.
28 of 24 in the first one and 20 of 19 in the second one.
So in both games, he slows down. 28 of 24, he starts off well, then he slows down. 20 of 19, he actually doesn't really ever get going. There's only like 2 boundaries over there. Isnabi, he reverse swept one for 4, and then he used his feet to nail a 4 over the covers. That was it. Again, not too concerned with the performances, more concerned with the injury situation. बाकी डर है मुझे.
डर तो है.
I feel like we might lose him.
अच्छा खैर
क्योंकि साथ इसको कोई थायराइड वाला मसला भी हो गया था, याद है? उसके बाद यार टूट जिंजर.
पता नहीं क्या हुआ.
पता नहीं, कभी हैमस्ट्रिंग जाती है, कभी घुटना जाता है ब्रो, कभी कमर जाती है. बहुत चीजें जा रही हैं. I really, Fakhar Ala, if you're watching this, I really advise you that यार चलो, even if you want to play T20s for a bit, don't plan to play them beyond this World Cup. Just after this World Cup, focus on ODIs entirely. Pakistan खेलेगी कुछ ODIs इस World Cup से पहले. And then you can have your last swan song in South Africa.
That's what we want.
Yes, that's what the pro sports team wants, man. वो क्या आपकी जर्सी भी लगाई हुई है यार?
Yeah.
We are big fans.
अच्छा, नंबर कितने देने हैं?
Fail ही होगा.
Doesn't get a passing grade.
He can't get a passing grade. I feel like you give him 3.5. 3, bro.
No.
Run strike rate isn't good.
Strike rate isn't good. थोड़े से runs है, इसलिए 3.
थोड़े से runs है, yeah, 3 is apt, I feel. अच्छा जी, आ जाओ Siam Ayub पे.
Siam.
He had a
Good series. Good
finally,
series.
finally. I mean,
Yeah.
I'm so chuffed for him because Saad and I have been backing him.
Yeah.
हमें काफी लोग आते हैं, comments में भी बोलते हैं, और मुझे तो DMs भी आते हैं और responses आते हैं Twitter पे कि why do you guys give Siam Ayub such a long rope? At what point do we axe Siam Ayub? People have been quite impatient with Siam Ayub, whereas I have always told everyone that you just be as patient as you possibly can with this guy. He is also generational
He
talent.
is a generational
ठीक है,
talent,
and we know what he is capable of. Injury से वापस आ रहा था,
Yeah.
थोड़ा time लगता है. And if you look at his series, he's been really good.
He's been really good.
Yeah. Pehle he scored 57 of 38, right? And he took 2 for 20 in 2 overs. Then bad game with the bat, 7 of 9, और जो एक चौका था वो भी inside edge थी.
Yeah, that was a bad game. Yeah.
इसकी और साहिबजादा दोनों की bad game थी. देखो ना, 3 of 7 and 7 of 9 means they scored 10 of 16. That's
Yeah.
bad, right? So ठीक है, poor game with the bat, but he was
really good
brilliant.
with ball.
Had
Yeah.
his best bowling game
Yeah.
in that T20 and the second one. Takes 2 for 20
Yeah.
in 4 overs.
Yeah.
And throughout the series he's bowled outside the power play. मैं और तुम हमेशा ही कहते थे कि यार साइम अयूब की यूटिलिटी पावर प्ले में
Power
अच्छी
play में अच्छी
है.
है.
मुझे एटलीस्ट उसे सबको करके दिखाया कि I can be bowled outside the power play as well. So that's a big thing for Pakistan. And then he has the last game
No.
in which he does all right.
No.
It's not as good as the first game because the pitch was easier and his knock is not as good as the 57 of 38.
Yeah.
He ends up with 66 of 49 and he takes 1 for 38 in 4 overs, but that wicket is important.
Yeah.
That wicket is off Alec Athanaze. So that is an
Yes.
important wicket, right? Pretty sure it was.
Alec Athanaze.
Yeah. So in this game, the last game, he got his 50 of 37 deliveries. It was his third 50 or half century in his career, and 2 of those, the latest 2, have come in the same series.
Yeah.
So that's good news. He tripled his tally in
Yeah,
the
ऐसा ही
same
है.
series, right? And then, spin के खिलाफ मुझे मजा आया इसको देखने का. He used his feet to smash spin over mid on, ठीक है? And then there was a slap over the covers versus
Yeah,
pace,
that
जो
was
कि उसकी
really good.
अच्छी है ये. One really interesting flick over short fine leg for 4 versus spin. I don't know if you caught that
I
one,
caught
but that was,
that, yeah.
that was really interesting. And then he slog sweeps Romario Shepherd for 6 and 4 down on one knee. He's a seam bowler. So that was quite interesting because उसने उसको ही ठोक दी है. And then his best shot came versus Jason Holder. It was towards the end of the innings. He goes deep into his crease.
Beautiful.
He maneuvers his position. He kind of shuffles.
Yeah.
And then he just kind of swipes big for a 6. I think that was his most intelligent
Yeah.
shot. You're deep in the crease वाली चीज.
Really, really good series, and I'm happy कि वो वापस sign show कर रहा है कि वो वही वाला साइम अयूब है.
And let's not make any mistake about the fact that this is not a perfect knock. 66
No,
of
no,
40
it wasn't a
49
perfect
is not perfect because he was there for huge bits. And like end तक तकरीबन था. And he really took his time to kick on.
Yeah.
साहिबजादा का स्टार्ट तेज था ना, वो बाद में स्लो डाउन करता.
एक क्रिटिक यही है ना इन दोनों की मेरे लिहाज से कि आप एक्सपेक्ट करते हो पावर प्ले में मैक्सिमाइज करेंगे और तीनों T20s में हमने ये नहीं देखा.
I understand that you might be a bit afraid after the last power play and you're trying to assess the conditions, but yeah, you don't take more than an over and a half or 2 overs tops to assess the conditions. अब पता चल रहा है अगर लग रही है तो फिर थोड़ा ठोको. सही है, but चलो, he's got time out in the middle post injury. He scored 2 50s whilst one was slightly okayish, but it was still good. I wouldn't say it was bad. And then he, I think he was particularly good for his 2 for 20 in the middle ODI. He did in the middle T20I. He didn't have a bad game.
Yeah.
हर मैच में कहीं ना कहीं
Contributions तो हैं.
Yeah. And then he bowls outside the power play for the whole series. I think that was quite good. And he's amongst the runs. So I think we have to give him a 7. 7 बनता है.
7.5 actually. Bowling के
Bowling के साथ
साथ
7.5.
काफी impress किया.
You've got to give him 7.5. जो नंबर कट रहे हैं थोड़े से वो यही एक फेलियर और एक स्ट्राइक रेट थोड़ा बेहतर हो सकता था, स्पेशली इन द लास्ट गेम, क्योंकि वहां पे इतनी कोई ट्रिकी कंडीशंस नहीं थी. But good on you, Saim. Rooting for you, buddy. Yeah.
अच्छा जी, Hasan Nawaz, the
Nozzler. He had a really good series.
He was really
I
good.
was really
Contributions
throughout
तीनों में.
और तेज.
24
of 18 was his worst knock. पहले T20 में. Even that we were happy with. We gave him like 7 or 7.5 for that. And then in the second T20 he was Pakistan's best batter.
40 of 23.
40 of
क्या
23.
खूबसूरत शॉट ने मारी है.
Even in the last game, यार, he scores 15 of 7, which was very, very handy at that point. मैंने अभी आपको पीछे बताया है, 36 of 16 by those 3 guys, Khushtil Fahum and the Nozzler. So I think if we do a quick tally, 24 plus 40 is 64, 64 plus 15 is 79. 79 में फिर 30 48
38.
79 और 48 इन द सीरीज वेरी गुड यार, 10 रन्स पर ओवर तकरीबन स्कोर कर रहा है वो,
Yeah.
एंड ही ऑलवेज कम्स आउट. एक तो ही हैज बीन मैनेज्ड रियली वेल इन टर्म्स ऑफ एंट्री पॉइंट्स,
Yeah.
इसको सही टाइमों पे भेजा. I think that was really good because
Yeah.
remember in the Bangladesh game they delayed his
They
spot.
did.
हारिस भेज देता तो
हाँ, नहीं
मसला
इस
बढ़ गया.
दफा जब जहाँ पे आपको जरूरत ही नाज़र नवाज की वहीं पे आए.
आपने वहां से भेजा है, and this is again something that they've learned.
हाँ.
They didn't make the hardest mistake again.
Yeah.
Middle overs में हसन नवाज ही बनता है यार आपका, ठीक है, अगर लंबा खेल गए ओपनर्स हसन नवाज को आना चाहिए.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think they managed his entry points really well. And one thing that must be said over here, yaar, is that he really impressed versus pace.
Ah, yes.
There was only 1 6 in these last two innings. The spooned 6. चम्मच ही था वो.
अच्छा.
proper spoon, man. He spooned that ball for 6 down the ground versus spin, and that was the only boundary versus spin in the last 2 games.
बाकी इसने सारा पेस को मारा.
I think पहले वाले मैच में एक ही स्पिन के खिलाफ इसने मारा है, बाकी पेस को ही ठोका है, bro. And this is worth mentioning because we look at Hassan Nawaz as a spin basher.
Yeah.
And he's done well versus pace in this series. I mean,
It was a great move to bring him in the middle order, by the way.
amazing. So he slaps one past the mid-off fielder. He slaps one over the covers for 6. उसका थोड़ा region है, ठीक है. And then there were these 3 lofted drives for 6 down the ground, V के अंदर. Those were just like a sight for sore eyes, man. Hold the pose.
Hold the
क्या
door.
ही कोई खूबसूरत छक्के मारे हैं वो. जो उसका बैकलिफ्ट है और जिस तरह वो होल्ड कर रहा था पोज, those lofted drives were like straight out of heaven, man. Amazing stuff. And then there was a hook for 6 in this last game. And yeah, वही spooned 6 था. One dropped catch for him.
One dropped catch, yeah.
जो कि इतना कोई आसान नहीं था. And it didn't cost Pakistan because अगली बॉल पे आउट हो गया वो जूलैंड.
Yeah.
So I want to give him 8. I think I want to give him 8.5.
8.
8? क्योंकि impact knocks throughout.
Impact knocks तो थे, बेशक थे.
Rescued the momentum at times.
नहीं second T20 वाला नॉक तो बहुत ही अच्छा था.
By the way,
मैं देख रहा हूँ वो साथ बेनाम यहाँ पे जेमी स्मिथ आउट हो चुका है.
जेमी स्मिथ is gone. ये लाइव चल रहा है सब मैच.
21 रन्स रह गए हैं इंग्लैंड के.
England need 21 runs. India need 2 to 3 wickets. We don't know what Chris Woakes' situation.
नहीं वो बोला है ना कि he will come out to bat if
अच्छा, he will.
required.
That's crazy, man. और ये सिराज once again, man. Lion-hearted मोहम्मद सिराज थकता ही नहीं है बंदा.
अच्छा चलो हम हसन नवाज की बात करें.
हसन नवाज की हमने बात कर ली.
वो कल आ जाएगा आपके पास पॉडकास्ट.
I think 8 is fine.
8.
Yeah, dropped. I'm going to bump him up to 8.5.
चलो,
Screw
ठीक
it.
है.
तुमने 8 दिए, मैंने 8.5 दिए.
सही.
Loved Hassan Nawaz in this series. This is what I want more of. मुझे इस तरह के cameos देते रहो.
नहीं हसन नवाज was brilliant.
Middle overs में जो runs आए ना, इसका बहुत बड़ा हाथ है.
इसने थ्रू आउट जो है आके आपको इम्पेटस प्रोवाइड किया जहाँ पे आपको जरूरत थी.
He is the
और
reason
क्या आप कह सकते हो कि फॉल्ट क्या करे इसकी बैटिंग में.
He is the reason they get to 80s every time in the middle overs in this series, honestly. So इसलिए मैंने 8.5 दिया इसको.
मोहम्मद हारिस.
Yeah, Mo Haris, bit tough series with the bat. पहले मैच में तो अच्छा था. Played 1 ball smash to 6 off a ramp. वो Avada Kedavra ramp मैंने नाम दिया था क्योंकि Voldemort को ठोकी थी. Then he scores 4 off 6, which was poor. That was a poor knock. I'm not going to fault him for his 2 off 2. He was going for another run. It was in death overs. Out हो गया.
नहीं वो तो
no issues. उस पे तो मैं उसको कोई मार्क्स ही नहीं काट रहा. That 2 of 2 is fine. 4 of 6 पे थोड़े काटूंगा.
ज़्यादा
But
कटेंगे.
then there's this one run out that he executes.
मोती वाला.
Brilliant run out of
in the second
Moti
T20.
in that second T20. I feel like he also deserves some points just for that run out alone.
हाँ.
Really agile.
तुम
फुर्तीला.
बताओ तुमने सारे पूरे मैचेस देखे हैं. कोई बिहाइंड द स्टंप्स कैसा था?
अच्छा था. No mistakes.
No mistakes.
Yeah, no mistakes. Morale was good. Everything that I expected from him behind the stumps he delivered with. There is one failure यार. Think दोस्तों सोचा जाए तो. Unbeaten 6 of 1 delivery.
वो तो obviously you take.
2 of 2 पे मैं कोई points नहीं काट रहा. NA मेरे लिए.
और एक 4 of 6.
एक 4 of 6 पे कुछ points कटेंगे. But because there were no mistakes behind the stumps and there was one exceptional run out that he executed, I will still end up giving him a 6.
5.5.
चलो 5.5 कर दो क्योंकि 6 हमने दिए थे. नहीं साहिबजादा को किए दिए थे.
साहिबजादा को 6 दिए थे ना.
हाँ 5.5 ही बनता है फिर हारिस का यार.
नहीं पासिंग रेट बनता है.
ऑनेस्टली बेचारे की इतनी गलती नहीं है. फेलियर एक ही है. लाइक यू नो स्कोर कार्ड देख के आपको शायद ना पता चले.
हाँ और प्राइमरी जॉब इज विकेट कीपिंग जिसमें 0 मिस्टेक्स है तो कैसे काटोगे आप नंबर.
प्लस यू डिडंट यूटिलाइज हिम इन द फर्स्ट गेम. ही स्टिल गेव यू 6 रन्स. आई डोंट नो. एक गंदा रॉक है. 5.5.
Cousin Sal.
Interesting series for him. We discussed his captaincy earlier. A lot of mistakes in the first game. Should have bowled one over in the second game and then third T20. There's the Haris Rauf thing that we need to discuss, right? Would you give him 2 power play overs?
नहीं, never.
मैं भी एक ही दूँ.
ये तो मैं हमने पहले भी बात की. और थ्रू आउट मैं देख रहा हूँ हर टीम, हर कैप्टन हारिस रऊफ को 2 पावर प्ले में ओवर्स देता है, मुझे समझ नहीं आता.
Yeah,
नहीं आती समझ.
it is a bit strange. A lot of people or a lot of former captains have done this with him as
Yeah.
well. I think Glenn Maxwell used him best. He always used to save
Stars, yeah.
3 death overs for Haris Rauf at the Melbourne Stars.
Yeah.
और ज्यादा शुरू में कहीं एक करा लेता था और वो भी छठा ओवर बनता है ना इसका. सेंस तो यही
हाँ,
बनती है. You
समझ
give
नहीं
him,
आता.
give him the 6th over, last over of the power play. But yeah, look. With the bat, Cousin Sal scored an unbeaten 11 of 10, zero
Poor-
boundaries,
poor knock.
zero boundaries,
Very
and then he actually does all right.
38 of 33.
His 38 of 33 is a bit of a rescue act. So मैं strike rate को उतना उसमें नहीं रखूंगा क्योंकि विकेटें काफी गिर गई थी. Look, he did use his feet to smash one big 6 down the ground. I expect more of that from you, Cousin Sal. He swept the ball a couple of times. There were a couple of slog sweeps. This was all versus spin.
I don't
really.
know, bro.
Spin कोई खेला सारा. Yes,
5.
you expect a bit more.
5.
Just because Pakistan ends up winning the series,
5.
I'll give him
Cap-
5.
हाँ.
Yeah.
बाकी
Yeah. अगर तो सीरीज हार गए होते तो फिर मेरे ख्याल से 4 देता, मगर yeah, since Pakistan won the series 2-1, I feel like he even gets things right for the most part in the last T20I, so 5 is good. Batting order, he gets the batting order right this series.
Jamie Overton's gone.
All right then.
20 runs required.
I think that's
put
it.
down.
That's game. That has to be game, bro.
Acha. I've given him a 5. You've given him how much?
I've given him a 5 as well because एक अच्छा knock है चलो और rectifies his mistakes as captain. Batting order से impressed था मैं, especially the last T20I.
Yeah.
The batting order was really good. सही time पे हर बंदा गया.
खुशदिल शाह.
बेचारे ने खेला ही कितना?
हाँ, एक-
An
I don't
unbeaten
think-
11 of 6. One gigantic 6 over long off. Look, plays an important cameo.
हाँ, लेकिन मैं सीरीज की रेटिंग तो नहीं दे सकते ना.
NA देना पड़ेगा क्योंकि
सीरीज की रेटिंग तो नहीं दे सकते 6 बॉलों पर.
He's played 6 balls. She's done well,
No.
smashing 11 and one big 6 over long off, but can't give him a rating. NA.
No.
Yeah, good cameo though.
Ravahoom.
Fahum has had a topsy-turvy series, to say the least. He scores 15 of 9 in the first game, but it's a lucky one. 2 catching opportunities. Ek to the drop hua.
Just poor with the ball.
Really bad with the ball in that game. None for 31 in 2 overs.
Uh.
Then he bags a golden duck in the second T20I.
Yeah.
And then he actually does all right in the last game. An unbeaten 10 of 3. There was this big 6 off his legs, जो flicks ही मारता है वो in the third T20I. Look, lucky knock पे क्या ही ठीक है, दे दो थोड़े से मार्क्स. बिग 6 पे मार्क्स दे दो. He dropped a catch. मुझे याद है पहले मैच में. जॉनसन चार्ल्स का था वो टैक्टिकल ड्रॉप बुरा नहीं था.
I don't know यार, ये तो नहीं कर सकते ना.
था ना. You still dock points for that.
नहीं, he doesn't get a passing grade from me.
But he did really well with the ball in the third T20I.
क्या दो-
He bowls the 4th and 6th overs in the power play.
Yeah.
And he concedes 4 runs in the 4th and 9 runs in the 6th. So he ends up with none for 13 and 2 power play overs.
That's just 2 power play overs.
Can't give him a passing grade, but can give him 4.5.
I won't give him a 4.5. I think he was really bad in the first and the second game. Really bad in the first and second. Third में अच्छी है.
Third match. चलो फिर 4 कर दो.
हाँ, 3.54.
He has a better series than Fakhr.
I don't know, bro.
I think he does.
फखर कप 2 मैचेस खेले या 3 खेला. पहले 2 को कंपेयर करना तो फिर नहीं.
Yeah.
पहले 2 में नहीं. तीसरे में अच्छी है.
ठीक है, चलो, but 4 is fine, man. I'm
3.5.
fine. तुमने 3.5 कर दिया. I'll give him 4. चलो.
नवाज.
मैं बता दो ना, सॉरी नवाज से पहले राणा फोम को कुछ नंबर वैसे ही मिल जाते हैं. For existing, he gets those numbers. Yeah, Nawaz ends up being player of the series.
Yeah.
So, interesting turn of events. We didn't want him in the team, and we still have our reasons. But let's not
I still don't want him in the team. ये मैं अभी भी बता रहा हूँ.
let's not take anything away from him. Bat के साथ नहीं चला.
बिल्कुल भी नहीं, yeah.
9 of 8 followed by 2 of 6.
Oh,
so he
2 of 6 was bad.
fails pretty, gloriously with the bat. But with the ball in the first T20I, he takes 3 for 23.
Really good.
Then in the second one, he takes 3
It
for
was
14.
Better.
3 for 14 was amazing, his best performance. And then 1 for 33 in 3 overs in the last
थोड़ा
game.
ज़्यादा
So
पिट गया.
he doesn't do well over there. I know he gets an important wicket, but he doesn't, like, Hope को out किया था, वैसे कोई इतनी भी important नहीं थी. मगर 1 for 33 in 3 overs, what that tells me is that as soon as the conditions stop favoring him, he starts to go for runs.
Yeah.
And you can't work with that. Maybe you can, in the Asia Cup, but beyond that, it would be really tough. Player of the series, मैं Sophie Mack को देता. That
maybe.
was my player of the series, right?
Yeah.
Nawaz opened the bowling in the entire series,
Yeah.
Saadi. He was
He did.
successful once in that third game.
हाँ.
तुम्हें याद होगा पहले वाले मैच में पिटा था
पिटा था, yeah.
पहले ओवर में आकर. तीसरे वाले मैच में आकर he's conceded 17 runs in his first over. Alec Athanaze smashed him, right?
Second match.
Yeah, second में काफी अच्छा था. Obviously, in the second T20I, he bowls 3 power play overs, does he? And he ends up with what? Overall, इसके figures थे 3 for 14. He gets I can't remember now.
चलो कोई नहीं.
Yeah, but he does really well. ठीक है, in that power play, bowls 3 overs, and yeah.
I'm gonna give him a 7.5. I think he was really good with the ball.
He doesn't bowl 3 power play overs, I think. मैंने गलती की.
Doesn't matter, bro.
Yeah.
He was really good with the ball.
2 for 6.
7.5.
Yeah. He takes 2 for 6 and 2 power play overs in that second game.
Yeah.
7.5 is apt. Because he fails with the bat. He doesn't do well with the ball in one game, but in the other two games,
he was exceptional with the ball.
If you add the numbers, he takes 6 wickets, he concedes 37 runs. 6 for 37 in 8 overs is pretty damn good. I can understand the rationale to give him player of the series, but there is a bit of Sufi Mac tax over here as well.
Sufi Mac पे आ ही जाता है.
Sufi Mac creates the pressure. Nawaz takes the wickets. There is a bit of that. Assist sales. जिसका फुटबॉल में होता है ना. तो नहीं 7.5 is good.
Sufi Mac पे आ जाते हैं ना.
Actually सादी 8 देना पड़ेगा.
दे लो तो मैं नहीं दे रहा.
8 देना पड़ेगा.
अच्छा क्यों?
हसन नवाज से कितना नीचे कर रखोगे उसे?
Yeah, bro, 9 of 8, 2 of 6, and 1 for 33 aren't good performances. They're good with the ball.
ठीक है 7.5 is good. All right.
Sufi Mac, bro. 1 for 20. 1 for 19 and 1 for 20.
My player of the series. You combine
same
those 3 figures, that comes out to 3 for 59 in 12 overs. I really think that he did a fantastic job, phenomenal job, strangling West Indian batters in the middle overs and then bowling well at the death as well. Whenever he's been given a death over, he's done well. Post power play, he completely, chokes the opposition batters. They could not pick him for the most part. And in this last game, Sadi, he bowls the, I want to say, 17th over. Okay?
Yeah.
He concedes 3 runs.
And takes Holder's wicket.
He takes Jason Holder's wickets. He cleans them up. That was huge.
Yeah.
That was massive, bro. And, as we always say, he's accurate, really accurate for a left-arm wrist spinner. He has a very low economy, 5.74 career economy.
Yeah.
He turns the ball in both directions, and he's got that flipper thing.
Yeah.
वो flipper है उसका that skids on. So that's a really good delivery. The only thing I'm concerned about with respect to Sufi Mac is that in the first T20I they showed 2 images of his conventional leg
good
spin.
thing बाकी 2 में नहीं पकड़ा गया ना अभी तक.
बाकड़ी
उसके बाद नहीं पकड़ा गया तो hopefully थोड़ी सी hope है उधर.
Hope तो है ही वेस्ट इंडीज में तो है.
इधर भी है.
Yeah, but they did show that when he bowls his conventional leg spin ball, the ball is showing.
अच्छा अब तुम भी सबको बता दो.
हाँ, ball नजर आती है when he's bowling his conventional leg spin, and when he's bowling his wrong one, you cannot see the ball, you can see his hand. So that's the only bit I'm worried about. Otherwise, I feel like he's got the highest ceiling for any spinner in Pakistan, at least white ball, and play him every game. Every game. Give my man Sufi Mac some game time. Fielding बेहतर हुई थोड़ी सी. थोड़ा agile था.
9.5.
Why are we not giving him 10?
पता नहीं. विकेट थोड़ी कम है.
विकेट कम है मगर
3 विकेट.
Does a job, right?
Does more than a job, लेकिन I don't know, bro. 10 दे दो.
10 दे दो.
दे दो.
10 तो Sufi Mac को. This is the Sufi Mac show now.
हाँ.
And happy Sufi Mac week to everyone who celebrates.
Celebrating, yeah.
ठीक है. अच्छा जी. Shino. 1 for 27 and 1 for 31.
Yeah.
The 1 for 27 we spoke about. आप पिछले podcast में जाकर देख लो, उसकी पूरी तफसील में बात की है. I was happy with that performance. His speeds have been in that 135 to 140 kilometers per hour range. He is touching 140, but he's not crossing it all too often.
Yeah.
ठीक है, मतलब और ऊपर नहीं जा रहा उससे. वो 141 2 पे रुक जा रहा है. वो 145 नहीं टच कर रहा Shaheen, which is a bit of a concern because peak Shaheen used to do that, right? None for 11 and 2 power play overs in that second T20I. I feel like Cousin Sal misses his trick by not giving Shaheen 3 power play overs. ये करना चाहिए आपको. पहले मैच में he had conceded 5 runs in 2 overs in the power play. बाद में आकर उसने 22 runs और 1 wicket लिए थे. यहाँ पे भी none for 11 and 2 power play overs. You give him a third. आप उसको फेज में बेहतर इस्तेमाल करो. And I know he does well in the end or at the death too. इतना बुरा नहीं था सादी.
5.
Yeah, he removes Romario in the last over, and at that point you're thinking Pakistan जीत गया, because Romario is kind of the big.
लेकिन
wicket,
फिर
right?
आपको पता है क्या है.
Holder पड़ा हुआ है दूसरे end पे.
और
He almost defends 8 runs in that last over, right?
that's been the story of Pakistan Pacers, hasn't it?
Yeah. And if you look
Yeah,
at
they
his,
almost defended total.
if you look at his death bowling overall in that game, 1 for 20 in 2 overs isn't terrible.
I'm gonna give him a 5, just a passing rate, right?
I'm going
line.
to give Shaheen Shah Afridi a 6, just
I
because
don't
I
know.
feel like he has been better than before. but he has not been peak Shaheen either.
सिक्स तो नहीं डिजर्व करता
I think-
मेरी बुक्स
I think he was intelligent at times. He didn't go for too many magic deliveries. He held back his length. Hard length पे कोशिश कर रहा था, वो back of a length करा रहा था bowling. And then also I feel like he took the pace off at times. So he was intelligent, more intelligent than before. And 1 for 27 and 1 for 31. Sadi comes out to 2 for 58 in 8 overs. ठीक है यार.
5
5. नया 6.
right on the dot.
For me, in fact, I'll bump him up to 6.5.
चलो पता नहीं क्यों बहरहाल क्यों
Bump up 6.5 पे कर दिया.
ओके चलो ठीक है हसन अली
Yeah, that was a very, very poor series for Hassan Ali. None for 48 in the second T20I where no one concedes runs. Hassan Ali concedes 48 runs in 4 overs, doesn't take a wicket. And then even in this last game, man, 1 for 38 in 3 overs. So that comes out to 1 for 86 in 7 overs in the series. I
poor
don't know कहाँ पे इसको नंबर दूं. एक अच्छा कैच पकड़ा है.
नहीं
Jule Andrew वाला.
नंबर तो नहीं मिल रहा इसे
देखो, if we break it down, right, he bowls the third over in the second game, right? He concedes 13 runs. Then he comes back to the sixth over, he does well, only gives away 4 runs. So at that point, he has bowled 2 power play overs, he's done for 17. Sadi at the death, he comes and concedes 31 runs in 2 overs. He even bowls a no ball. Free hit भी पड़ जाती है. ठीक है? Bad stuff.
zero
Really, really poor. And then in this last game, he bowls the first over of the game, right? Concedes 16. Jule Andrew पड़ जाता है हसन अली को. Comes back at the death, 16th over. He concedes 11 runs and West Indies are still in the hunt. And then उसके बाद सूफी बैक आता है. उसके बाद यार last over में he had 25 runs to work with. He still concedes 11, does get Rutherford's wicket, 1 for 38. Not a good series for Hassan Ali, 0.
zero है
चलो 1. I'm
नहीं,
going to give him 1.
क्यों?
He takes Rutherford's wicket.
0 for 48 was -5 stuff bro
That was my -5 stuff. But chalo, Rutherford's wicket, and then also you have to kind of count the catch. The same.
zero
Jule Andrew का important catch था 1.
zero for
I'm
me
giving Hassan Ali 1. But honestly, pecking order के अंदर और बड़े लोग हैं who are breathing down Hassan Ali's neck. So
Yeah.
who's to say he retains his spot,
Yeah.
right? You can't afford this anymore because बहुत competition है.
Haris Rauf
Hot and cold?
I don't hot तो मुझे नहीं नजर
अच्छा
आया
इस game में तो अच्छा था. I
more
feel like-
cold
I feel
than
like Haris
hot.
Rauf was good in the last game.
more cold than hot
Poor in the first game where he concedes 41 runs and doesn't take a wicket. In the last game, he ends up with 1 for 34. I think he bowled well.
alright.
He bowls 2 power play overs, the third and the fifth over in the power play, concedes 5 runs in the third and concedes 8 runs in the fifth, and also takes Jule Andrew's wicket. He had him twice in 2 balls. Hassan Nawaz drops him, next ball Hassan Ali catches him. So, not 1 for 13 and 2 power play overs, and then none for 21 and 2 death overs. But Sadi, if you watch the last over, he does kill the game. ये तो है ना, तुम्हें क्रेडिट दो उसको इस चीज का.
मैं क्रेडिट दूंगा
एक छक्का मारता है उसे Rutherford.
मैं बेशक
but
क्रेडिट दूंगा
Besides
इसको
that 6 that he conceded, it was a brilliant over otherwise, and he, like him alongside Sufi Mac, those guys combined to kill the game.
Bro, but then again, if he's conceding 41 and 34, I don't think he's going to get a passing grade
तो
from him.
4.5 दे दो.
शाहीन इससे ऊपर मैं रेट कर रहा हूँ
4.5 for
4.5,
Haris Rauf.
yeah.
Yeah, I
Doesn't
think
get
that
a
makes
passing,
sense. And he's also coming back from injury. We know that on his day or at his best, he is a much better bowler than this. All right, that concludes everyone.
and on his worst he's way worse than this as well
Yeah, ये भी है. इससे भी ज़्यादा पिट जाता होता है. कोई शक नहीं है इसमें.
अच्छा
So no game time for Abrar and Tallat.
हाँ, तो
मिलना
and-
चाहिए था. एक मैच
एक गेम तो मिलनी चाहिए
try
थी.
everyone out, but
I
it
think
was-
Talat could have played ahead of Fahim in one of those games.
Yeah, really. Tallat would have played the second one.
Especially second one जब आपने over भी नहीं दिया उसे और golden dark.
Yeah, for whom doesn't bowl in that
No.
game, and you're right.
No.
Tallat could have played over there. You could even played Abrar ahead of a frontline seamer. You could have.
You could have played Fahim की जगह खिला सकते थे.
फहीम की जगह भी खिला सकते थे, कर सकते थे. अब बथेरी चीजें कर सकते थे. अबरार को मैच मिलना चाहिए था
एक मैच तो दोनों को
तलत
मिलना
को
चाहिए.
लेकर गया तो 2 एक आधा एक तो मैच बनता
और आई
था
थिंक ये वाली थोड़ी सी कंडीशन सूट भी करती है हुसैन तलत को.
तलत स्पिन का अच्छा प्लेयर.
हाँ.
So you play him on slow surfaces.
हाँ.
That's why
हाँ,
he's
you-
supposed to do well.
आप फ्लैट विकेट्स पे ना खिलाओ ना तलत को, जरूरत नहीं है
थोड़ी
उसकी.
बॉलें पी जाएगा वहाँ पे वो.
आपको यहाँ पे जरूरत है उसकी.
But you know, despite the fact that this was a kind of a depleted West Indian team,
Kind of,
इतने
it was-
लोग नहीं थे
it
यार.
was a depleted.
Evan Lewis, Brandon King, Shimron Hetmeyer, Rovman Powell, Alzari Joseph. It's a lot of people.
A lot
But
of people.
regardless, I think it was still a good series win. Lots of positives for Pakistan. The big positive, I suppose, is that they're not repeating mistakes too often.
That's the biggest takeaway of this series for me.
New mistakes every time. This 11 holds up, or this balance holds up, जिस तरह की टीम माइक हैसन बना रहा है. on surfaces which are true and have a bit of batting friendly nature ho jisme surface ka. As soon as the surfaces get super slow, this team struggles, but they were better in the second T20I as opposed to the 2 games that they lost in Bangladesh. So that's still progress, theek hai? So I would just ask you, going Saadi, ending this show, who goes out, who comes in for you? 15 मैन की स्क्वाड बना रहे हो तुम अफगानिस्तान वाली सीरीज के लिए और यूएई वाली सीरीज।
उससे पहले एक और बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट बात है मेरे
अच्छा,
पास।
कोई बात आ गई?
हाँ,
इंडिया जीत के?
नहीं, ये शर्ट्स खरीद सकते थे लोग।
अच्छा
ये 99 थ्रोबैक शर्ट जो है, इफ यू वांट टू बाय इट तो हमें इंस्टाग्राम पे कांटेक्ट कर लो और सारे साइजेस में मौजूद है। 1500 प्लस डिलीवरी चार्जेस पे आपको मिल जाएगी। तो जाके चेक करो। ये इंडिया का भी एक दफा अपडेट करके फिर मैं तुम्हें बताता हूं।
18 रन रहते हैं, 2 विकेट। इट्स द गेम इज ऑन अ नाइफ्स एज। इन फैक्ट The game is on the edge of the knife's edge.
अच्छा, हम ये रैप ऑफ करते हैं पे जाके
बाकी यार ये शर्ट का मैं आपको बता दूं, एक तो सस्ती है, 1500 की ले लो। The colors are bright, वैज की शक्ल नजर आ रही है इसके अंदर।
वैज ही है ब्रो।
महून ने एक बड़ा फन एक एक्टिविटी तैयार की है कि whoever will buy the shirt, you can send us a picture of yourself in the shirt. We will all wear it as well. Take pictures and make a collage out of it and we'll post that on our socials. So that will happen. Yes, that's all I have to say.
अच्छा,
who goes in? Who comes in and who goes out?
Fakhar obviously goes out.
Fakhar goes out because you wouldn't want to risk him, right?
और वैसे भी I don't think he'll recover in time कि पूरी सीरीज खेल सके। तो रेस्ट दे दो अगर एजा का मिला।
Babar comes in.
नहीं, Babar doesn't come in.
Who comes in then?
I don't know, bro. I don't know. मुझे देखना पड़ेगा। तुमने on the spot मेरे से पूछ लिया।
If Fakhar is not fit, I don't mind Babar getting his series. ठीक है भाई, क्या इतनी बुरी बात
और है कौन? और है नहीं, ऑप्शन में नहीं है।
नईम टू सून।
नहीं
नऊम नहीं आ सकता।
आई थिंक नाफे के लिए भी टू सून है।
नाफे टू सून, नऊम टू सून। You probably bring Babar in for the UAE series, but then again,
so where do we play him?
Yeah, it's
where
not
do
like
you
he
play him?
starts.
He doesn't start.
Yeah. That is a bit of an
मैं
issue.
कोई प्लेयर्स भूल रहा हूँ यार बेनाम।
और फिर बाबर आजम को लेकर जब जाएंगे और वो खेलेगा नहीं तो एक और आफत पैदा हो जाएगी। तो इससे शायद बेहतर है ना ही लेकर जाओ। I mean, I'm just trying to think out loud over here.
हाँ, नहीं, बात तो तुम ठीक कर रहे हो। मुझे कोई प्लेयर भी नहीं
है उस्ताद।
नहीं, नाम नहीं आता।
नहीं, वैसे बता रहा हूँ।
नहीं, I'd rather have Khoja Nafe over him.
अच्छा,
हाँ,
वैसे नाफे भी ओपन करता है।
वो नीचे भी खेल लेता है नाफे।
हाँ, और कीपिंग भी कर लेता है इन थ्योरी।
हाँ, इन
सुनने में तो यही आ रहा था।
I don't know if he's a better wicketkeeper than Saifzada Farhan or not.
I have no idea. I have actually no clue.
अच्छा, bowlers में bro, I think I don't know, Abbas Afridi को लेके आओ यार। I want to see him.
Hassan out, Abbas in. I think you have to go there.
And no Salman Mirza और
फिलहाल तो नहीं।
Matt Danny.
फिलहाल तो नहीं। If Shaheen shits the bed in the series, you bring Salman Mirza in for the Asia Cup. अब अफगानिस्तान और UAE खिलाफ नहीं अगर चला शाहीन तो फिर आप what do you do?
I don't know.
और पता है, I would even go as far as saying कि if Haris Rauf concedes 40 plus in all of those games, you could even think of Matt Danny.
You could. No.
यार, again, maybe all of our viewers take the Asia Cup more seriously than I do. I know साथ फिर मुझसे थोड़ा ज़्यादा seriously लेते हैं।
नहीं यार, it's
मगर मेरे लिए तो ये भी preppy है।
नहीं, it's an important tournament for you who doesn't like winning.
Yeah.
And if you win a tournament जिसमें आपकी इंडिया, श्रीलंका, बांग्लादेश, अफगानिस्तान, the good teams, I think आप शायद 5th या जितनी भी हैं लास्ट में ही आ रहे हो इस वक्त। बांग्लादेश, पाकिस्तान उस वाले सीन में आ रहे हो।
I mean, Pakistan can lose to Bangladesh, they can lose to Sri Lanka. So it'll be a tough Asia Cup, but then again, I feel like
if you win the tournament आपके लिए अच्छा है, क्यों नहीं है?
I'm not sure on Hassan, bro.
मुझे भी डाउट
मुझे डर है। Maybe not these conditions.
यार देखो, हसन अली आया मेरिट पे है, परफॉर्म्ड, हाईएस्ट विकेट टेकर इन T20s in 2025, has been on a tear. I think
I know 2 bad games don't define him. He's been in form, but
I don't think कुछ, I think वही rinse and repeat वाली बात है ना।
If you get Abbas Afridi in, you get that 9 पे बैटर जो उसको obsession है उसके साथ।
आपके पास freedom आ जाता है to work things around.
Option ही आ जाती है।
You can work around with Rana Fahim sitting out and bringing in another spinner क्योंकि Abbas Afridi है वहाँ पे।
देखो ना, we were quite disappointed when Abbas didn't make the cut for this series. We feel like he should be a core member going into the future in every series. So there's a bit of that in there. बाकी नाफे potentially और बाबर I suppose for Fakhar. हसन की जगह आ गया आपका अब्बास आफरीदी। तलत खिला रहे हो तुम?
नहीं।
नवाज खिला रहे हो तुम? अब तो खेलेगा। अब तो खेलेगा। प्लेयर ऑफ द सीरीज की बात तो आप नहीं कर सकते।
और है क्या? अब इन एन आइडियल वर्ल्ड तो अरफात में ना से, लेकिन नहीं इन आइडियल वर्ल्ड।
इन यूएई कंडीशंस, who comes in for तलत for you?
नहीं तलत स्क्वाड में तो जाएगा.
मैं कह रहा हूँ तुम चाहते हो जाए कि ना जाए.
नहीं स्क्वाड में ले जाओ.
ले जाओ.
हाँ, और क्या है.
मतलब you have those 3 blokes.
Oh bro, मैं भूल गया. हैदर को लेके.
Haider, Irfan and Samad.
I'll take Haider.
I take a punt on Haider, man.
I'll take Haider.
Yeah, खिला दो उसको एक आधा इधर मैच.
हाँ.
मगर तलत भी चला जाए at this point तब क्या उसको यहाँ पे गेम ही नहीं मिली तो I kind of feel for him over here as well. So
I mean ये वाली पिचेस सूट तो करती हैं हुसैन तलत को, ऐसी बात नहीं
और
है.
UAE वाली पिचेस भी सूट करेंगी. तो चलो this is I think fine for the next series which is right before the Asia Cup. शाहीन
करेंगे उसका प्रॉपर करेंगे प्रीव्यू रिव्यू जो भी आएगा, स्क्वाड का रिव्यू जो भी प्रीव्यू.
शाहीन का भी दूध का दूध पानी का पानी हो जाना उस सीरीज के अंदर. we'll get our answers. And Rauf का बस ये है कि he is an asset unlike any other in the country with the express pace and the death overs bit. So that's that I feel.
उसके अलावा कल आपको इंडिया वर्सेस इंग्लैंड के टेस्ट का रिव्यू मिल जाएगा.
हम भी जाकर देखें भाई वो मैच.
और परसों आपको ओडीआई सीरीज का प्रीव्यू मिल जाएगा. पाकिस्तान वेस्ट इंडीज की, और फिर उसके बाद आपको ओडीआईस का रिव्यू मिलेगा.
इस दफा हर ओडीआई के बाद आपको रिव्यू मिलेगा. आज आई नो थोड़ा मैराथन हो गया क्योंकि 2 मैचेस थे, बट वेरी प्लीज्ड with the traction as well, with all the love, and happy to be staying up all night for you guys.
आप लोगों को वीडियो पसंद आई है तो लाइक बटन पे क्लिक करें, सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल बेराम, मुझे माहिन नोमी हर एक को हर जगह फॉलो कर दे. उसके अलावा हमारी शर्टें खरीद सकते हैं आप. 99 वर्ल्ड कप थ्रो बैक की है ये, 1500 प्लस डिलीवरी चार्जेस. कॉन्टैक्ट अस ऑन इंस्टाग्राम. उसके अलावा हमारी बूथियाँ पसंद ना आई हो तो आप हमें Spotify, Amazon Music, Apple Podcast, iHeartRadio, Pandora, Pocket Cast, Podbean, Castbox, Podcast Addict, जहाँ हैं वहाँ पे सुन सकते हैं. We'll see you guys next time. Until then, Allah Hafiz.